To dive back into Code 7, I'm Brandon Cole, aka for Blind Men. And, man oh man, I'm ready. I'm ready for more Code 7. Because for me, it's all new content from here on out. As of today, it is all new. I've seen nothing we're seeing today. The very end of the previous stream was new content for me, so all of this is new now. So there's going to be no more little allusions to things that I know that are going to happen in the future. No, that's over with. I know nothing going forward, and I love that. I love that because I love this game, and I was already shocked by what I saw last night. I mean, the plot twists just keep on happening. Get over the nice, refreshing sip of stream soda. There you go. Refreshing sip of stream soda there. Okay, let's fire up and let's get going. Welcome to the channel, everyone. If you do wish to support the channel, you're welcome to do so. I certainly appreciate it. You're not obligated, however, as long as you enjoy yourself, and if you have them, ask questions.
You can enable the blind-friendly mode with Ctrl+V.
Yes, let's continue this craziness. Yes.
Main menu. Press C to continue. Choose a save game to continue.
Plot 2.
Episode 2. Memory. Continue with
All right.
C.
Let's do this.
Wow. New Berlin still looks like a shithole.
You don't have to distract me. I know you're still thinking about Zoya.
She deserved better.
Yeah, Zoya died, man.
Let's focus on the positive.
Freaking rough, bro.
Sam survived. That's wonderful.
But Sam is
news.
alive. Yeah, that is good news.
How would you like to catch up with her, Alex?
1. Yes, please. 2. Why would you let me now?
I'm just gonna say yes.
Yes, please.
Alright, let's get you two connected then.
Do you think that's wise? It could feed her classified information.
They, not it, can't do that because we haven't briefed them yet. Okay, patching you through.
Connection established.
So much chaos.
1. Sam.
Sam!
What? Who? Alex? Is that you?
1. Yes, it's me. 2. You're alive.
Yes, it's me.
Yes, it's me.
Oh, you have no idea how good it is to read this. How did you get here? What happened?
1. Bear and Raven took me in. 2. I was being deleted but then not.
I was being deleted, but then not.
I was being deleted but then not.
What? Well, I'm glad you found me here. I won't delete you. Probably. So what the hell happened on Mars?
Optional dialogue. 1. Code 7 happened here. 2. There's another threat, the Phantom Plague. 3. I made a friend. Zoya. She died.
Okay.
4. Raven and Bear deleted Soli. Open console.
Wow,
with
we have a lot of
return.
options. Let's say I made a friend. Let's tell about Zoya.
I made a friend. Zoya. She died.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
Optional dialogue. 1. Code 7 happened here. 2.
Okay, good. We can still say
There's
other
another
things.
threat, the Phantom
Let's
Plague.
talk about the Phantom Plague.
There's another threat, the Phantom Plague.
Oh, great. I'm just missing 2 more deadly threats for my anxiety quartet. So, what's it doing?
1. Killing people randomly.
Killing people randomly.
Killing
Yeah, that's
people
that's
randomly.
What it's doing.
Lovely.
Optional dialogue. 1. Code 7 happened here. 2. Raven and Bear deleted Soli.
All right, so the
Open
other
console
2 things.
with
Code 7
Code
happened
7
here.
happened here.
What? But we had the antivirus. It didn't work?
1. IT was a trap. It was the actual virus.
Yep, it was a trap. It was the actual virus.
It was a trap. It was the actual virus.
Son of a bitch. And we just fell for it. I'm so sorry. It was my idea.
Optional dialogue. 1. Raven and Bear deleted Soli. Open
Yeah,
console.
let's tell her
with
Raven
return.
and Bear deleted solely.
Raven and Bear deleted Soli.
They did? Wait, what? I thought you were absorbed, Soli?
1. Turned out not. IT was with me the entire time.
Yep, turned out not. It was with me the entire time.
Turned out not. IT was with me the entire time.
Well, but it's gone now. I'm cautious of believing anything nowadays. Raven and Bear took you in. Are you with them right now?
1. Yes, I am with them.
Yes, I'm with them.
I am with them. 1. Where are you now?
Where
are you now?
I'm in New Berlin. There's an old house I know. I'll hide there until I know what to do. I need to follow up on Code 7. I heard it made its way to Earth.
1. Yes.
I just said that.
Unfortunately.
Didn't I kind of say that? Yes, unfortunately.
Yes, unfortunately.
We'll take care of it.
Open console with return.
We're closing in on our destination. I'll have to cut you off now. You'll talk to her again soon, I promise.
1. Okay.
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 Let's see if our outpost still stands. This is it. Our headquarters during this mission, so to speak.
Optional dialogue. 1. Contact Sam. 2. How do you know each other? 1. Where are we? 2. Does anybody live here? 3. Looks cozy. 4. Where is Sam?
Okay. Let's say, where are we?
Where are we?
So I read the optional dialogue
One
first.
part of New Berlin. Lots of drug dealers and gangs are doing their businesses in this area. But that way it's easier for us not to draw too much attention here.
This is
I
our base
see.
of operation. Our mission is to investigate the Phantom Plague. We've gathered anything we could from Orion Station, but we have reports of similar occurrences here in New Berlin.
1. We should be hunting Code 7. 2. The Phantom Plague is on Earth. 3. Why do you need me?
Let's say, I'm curious. Let's go with why do you need me?
Why do you need me?
To be honest, I don't know. Mission Control gave us this order. If it was up to me, I would stick you on a hard drive, but I don't have a say in this.
Hey, Raven, be nice. We need you because without Zoya, you're the only one who has first-hand information on what happened on Mars. Plus, Rabbit was our hacker, and he's injured. As far as rumor has it, you're more than a capable replacement. Raven and I will split up to cover more ground. We will go on our own missions and debrief once we're back at HQ. Since one of us has to stay here and keep an eye and ear on our feeds, you can choose who goes first.
1. Okay.
Wow.
I'll help you.
All right.
2. What if I refuse?
No, I'm just gonna say okay. I mean, I might as well help them. There's no real reason for me to refuse as an AI. What else am I gonna do? You know. And their mission is the Phantom Plague. Okay. I mean, it's gonna lead to something probably. So let's do it.
Okay. He'll help you.
Everyone of the inner circle of the Orion Station experiment is deceased, except for Dr. Adrian Gorski, who fled to New Berlin.
We heard
He's
Gorski
the
before.
only eyewitness to the plague's origins. My mission will be to go to the Orion's receiver station and dig up where he might be hiding.
New intelligence info found.
You know what?
Adrian.
I bet it was his
First
computer
name.
that had.
And I'll visit the Orion's data hub and try to extract
She's
any
blood
files we
type,
might
and I
have
never
on their
found it.
research or events. We need intel before we can plan our next steps. The research data we found on Mars was already very valuable, but we need to know if there's more. I want you to meet our friend Muffin. This little guy helped us get into the station.
Muffin.
Say hi, Muffin. You and Alex are now friends.
1. Hi. Muffin.
Muffin.
2. ERM. Cute. 3. How do I program it?
We're gonna go with hi, Muffin.
Hi. Muffin.
You can deploy Muffin and program them to run through air shafts. That way you can get access to rooms and computers you otherwise can't reach. Usually Rabbit should
Wow.
have the on-site programming. You'll have to fill in his slot, Alex.
Oh boy.
Before engaging any missions, I strongly advise you to do some of the Muffin training missions that we have here in the HQ. They'll teach you everything you need to know.
Let us know when you're ready for a mission by accessing the mission control on the computer.
Optional dialogue.
Oh wow.
1.
Okay.
Contact
Okay.
Sam.
This is getting more complicated
How
now.
do you know each other?
I like it though.
Open console
That's,
with
that's not a
return.
negative
Before we
thing.
continue, we should honor Zoya.
You're right. She deserves this at least.
Can you hand me that candle over there?
Of course.
Zoya was a great agent, an even better person. You were kind, brave, smart, I always admired you.
She was definitely a better joker than you.
Bear,
Sorry.
may you find peace wherever you are.
Take care, Zoya.
Aw,
We won't forget you.
that's a moment. That's a moment. Let's check chat. Orange is here. Welcome, my friend. This is all new for me now, so I'm just like, whoa, dude. The level of complexity is going up. Why is it going up? That's again, I'm not actually complaining. I'm actually really happy with this. All right, let's learn about them.
How do you know each other?
The EIU. Raven was already there when I joined. We ended up doing a mission together, and then became an inseparable team.
Just because we have to work together doesn't mean we have to tell it everything.
1. I have a name.
She does not like
you
me.
know. 2. IT is rather discriminating. 3. Fine. No small talk, then.
Yeah, I have a name, you know.
I have a name, you know.
Doesn't make you less AI.
Raven, turn it down a notch, alright? We have to work together whether we like it or not. Let's keep the good energy flowing.
Fine.
Optional
I don't think she's all about good energy.
1.
Let's
Contact Sam.
see if we can get him in contact
Open
Sam.
contact Sam.
Hey, Alex, where are you?
1. Somewhere in New Berlin. 2. Still with Bear and Raven. 3. Don't know. Where are you?
Still with Bear and Raven. I think
Still
that's
with
all right.
Bear and Raven.
Alright, what's up with that? So you're not here, you're talking remotely?
1. I can't come to you. I
Yeah,
can't
I
come to you.
What do you mean?
1. I have to help Bear and Raven.
Be quiet, Amazon
2.
device.
I am the E.I.U.S hostage.
I'm the
Sort
EIU's
of.
hostage, sort of. No. I'm not gonna treat Bear and Raven negatively. I don't think they're just doing they're following orders. They're doing their jobs, and I flat out like Bear. Raven's just mean to me. I need to help them.
I have to help Bear and Raven.
Oh, I see. Well, that's good, actually. Whatever you're doing, I'm going to hunt down Code 7. As much as I want us to work together again, I believe it's better for me to work alone. I got some things to do on my own. Need to take care of someone.
1. What? Why? 2. As you wish. 3.
I'm not.
Who?
I feel like I'm not gonna pry. I'm just gonna as you wish. She's her own person, and I don't remember our past relationship, whatever that was. So. As the character, I don't remember what the past relationship was because of the amnesia. So, she's her own person. We'll let her do
As you
she
wish.
wishes.
I'm glad you understand. It's just Code 7 infects artificial intelligences, and you're not
I
as
know,
human
I know.
anymore as you used to be. I'm worried that you might get infected. I don't want to lose you.
1. That makes sense. 2. But I am still human.
I'm gonna say, but I am still human.
But I am still human.
Yes, you are, but you're also digital. I don't want to take any chances, okay? You're my friend. I'm going to keep you posted on my progress, though. Gotta head out. Talk to you later, and make sure to take care of Bear and Raven.
Open console
I think
with
this.
return.
I feel the potential of this episode. I feel the potential for it to be very interesting. With the Raven and Bear splitting up and everything, doing their own missions, and I feel there's potential here, and the whole muffin thing is probably going to be really intriguing in ways I don't quite comprehend yet. Oh, the Kojima World Order is hosting me. Thank you for the host. I appreciate that. I appreciate you very much, Lee. Thank you very much. And now,
Available
let's
commands.
see what we can do with this.
EIU 1168.
Okay.
Muffin. Objectives. System. Current mission. Choose the next objective. Reread output log with the up and down arrows.
Okay.
Hold down shift to explore area with the
What
arrow
about
keys.
the training missions, though? Where is that? Is it in Muffin?
Muffin. Available commands. Learn.
Yeah, learn.
Current mission.
Yeah.
Choose the next.
Let's learn.
Close app with backspace or escape. Muffin Learn Level menu. Choose a level to start with the up and down arrow keys. Simple movement 1. Not done yet. Start with return.
Okay.
Close app with escape.
Let's do this.
Let's start with something easy. You can tell Muffin what to do via simple scripting. Just type out the commands Muffin should follow. Start with go forward.
Muffin Programming app. Write down a program with the keyboard. Start program with space. Use tab to list all available commands. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys.
Start program with space.
End of code reached. Go back to program editor with space.
Oh.
Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the
I didn't
arrow
understand.
keys.
Okay, I didn't understand.
If you've reached the last line of code, Muffin will automatically return to their starting position, unless they have reached the exit.
Close app with backspace or escape. End of code reached. Go back to program
confused.
editor with space. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys. End of code reached.
What?
Go back to program editor with space. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys.
I don't know what to do. I'm confused. I'm confused! Oh no!
X. Muffin Programming app. Write down a program with the keyboard. Start program with space.
Oh!
Use tab to
Oh,
list
my
all
bad.
available. End of code reached.
Oh, one
Go
word?
back to program editor
Wait.
with space. End of code reached. Go back. End of code reached. End of code reached. End of code reached.
Huh.
Go back to program editor with
I
space.
guess I don't get it.
Hold down shift. Available functions. Navigate with tab or up and down arrows. Available functions. Navigate.
There are no there are no available functions.
Available. Go forward.
Go forward.
Choose with return. Empty line.
Okay.
Choose command with tab. Start program with space. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys. Go forward.
Okay.
End of code reached.
That worked. Okay.
Go back to program editor with space. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys. Available functions. Muffin Programming app. Available Go forward. End of code reached. Available.
Okay. What am I supposed to learn from this?
Available. Turn left.
Okay.
Choose with return. Turn right. Go forward. Turn left.
Turn left.
Choose with return. Empty line. Choose command with tab. Start program with space. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys. Go forward. Turn left. Muffin is now looking up. End of code reached. Go back to program editor with space. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys.
Okay.
Available Go forward. Turn left. Turn right. Go forward. Turn left. Choose with return. Turn right. Empty line. Choose command with tab. Start program with space. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys. Turn right. Turn left. Go
Okay,
forward.
so all
Turn left.
these.
Turn right.
Okay, so
Empty
it is
line.
kind of like you're writing
Turn
a
right.
program here.
Start program with space.
All these things are in the same
Hold down
program.
shift
I'm
to
just adding
explore
commands
Muffin
to
area
it.
with the go forward. Turn left. Muffin is now looking up. Turn right. Muffin is now looking right. End of code reached. Go back to program editor with space.
Okay, I understand a little bit more
Hold
now.
down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys.
Okay. I don't know how it's going to work in practice, though. Because how will we know which way to go, you know? How will we know? And how do we clear things? It's, oh, it reminds you of Swift Playgrounds, huh? If you didn't know what this was, you totally say it was coded. Yeah, it's a good thing you know what it is. So, did I miss a detail then? Because, like, I don't know, maybe I just need to see this in action. Because I'm thinking, like, if we tell him to, you know, go forward, go left, and okay, we found something, and then we want to move on, we don't want him to go forward and go left again, necessarily, and then whatever the new instruction is. So, I don't know. I guess, I don't know. I guess we'll see it in action, I guess, but...
Code 7.
I guess I just hope I understand this.
Escape.
What am I supposed to do?
Empty line.
Okay.
Choose command with tab. Turn left. Empty line.
Oh,
Turn left.
you can.
Start. Empty line. Choose command. Go forward.
Okay.
Start program. Empty line. Choose command with tab.
You can just backspace on the lines.
Start
and get rid of
program
them.
with space. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys.
Turn right.
Empty line. Choose command.
Go forward. Enter.
Turn right. Empty line. Turn right. Empty line. Empty line.
What?
Turn right. Empty line. Empty line. Empty line. Turn right. Start pro. Empty line.
Go forward. Enter.
Turn right. Empty line.
I'm very confused.
Choose command with
I was trying to
tab.
write the command before I did
Start
it.
program with space.
I'm very confused.
Hold down shift to explore Muffin.
Go forward. Enter.
Empty line. Turn right. Start program.
Oh.
Empty line. Empty line. Choose command with tab. Start program with space. Available functions. Go forward. Turn left.
Enter.
Empty line.
Okay, turn left.
Available. Go forward.
Enter.
Go forward.
Empty line. Available go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Choose
Start the
command to
program.
turn right. Muffin is now looking down. Turn left. Muffin is now looking right. Go forward. Go forward. End of code reached. Go back to program editor with space.
Okay.
Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys.
Okay, so it looks... When it turns right, it kind of flips right. It doesn't just turn. So if you turn it far enough right, it'll look down and then left again. So it's like a sphere. It's like BB-8 looking around, basically. The Star Wars reference there. Okay, so I guess I understand this? I'm probably just going to use the tab interface to enter the commands because, like... I don't know, it didn't seem to be working when I tried to type it out myself. I don't understand why. I couldn't tell you why. Okay.
Go forward. Empty line. Go forward.
I
Empty
don't know
line.
what to do. Like, I don't know.
Empty line. Turn right. Empty line.
How do I clear this thing?
Really end app. Press Y for yes and
I
N
think
for
so,
no.
yeah.
Available commands.
I'm confused.
EIU 1168. Muffin.
Alright, let's see if...
Muffin. Learn.
Enter.
Close app with backspace or escape. Muffin learn level menu.
see
Choose a
what it
level
says.
to start with the up and down arrow keys. Simple movement 1. Not done yet.
Not done yet.
Start
What the
with
heck?
return.
I guess I'll...
Let's start with something easy. You can tell Muffin what to do via simple scripting. Just type out the commands Muffin should follow. Start with go forward.
Muffin programming app. Write down a program with the keyboard. Start program with space. Use tab to list all available commands. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys. Available functions. Go forward. Choose with return, empty line. Choose command with tab. Start program with space.
Okay.
Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys. Go forward. End of code reached. Go back to program editor with space. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys.
What does it want me to do? Like, I did the movement command that it wanted. So now what? What the heck, man?
Available functions. Go forward. Turn left. Turn right. Go forward. Empty line. Choose command with tab. Start program with space. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys. Available functions. Go forward. Choose empty line. Choose
Go
command
forward a
with
bunch.
tab.
I don't know.
Start program with
What do
space.
you want me to do? Thing?
Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys. Available functions. Go forward. Empty line. Choose command with tab. Start program with space. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys. Go forward.
Go forward
Go
a lot.
forward. Go forward.
There, do it.
Go forward. Muffin walked into a wall. End of code reached.
Okay.
Go back to
Muffin
program
walked into
editor
a wall.
with space.
Good for
Hold
Muffin.
down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys.
What am I even looking for? I don't get it. I don't get it. I'm clearly missing something. Joy's here! Thank you for the hearts, Joy. And all the emails. Joy's here, but gonna be slow to respond. That's fine. That phone lag, though. Hey, Smudge is here! Alright. Greetings to Smudge. So, for those who missed the beginning of this stream, remember guys, this is all new content for me now, as of this episode. So all of this is new. Here's what we learned at the beginning of the stream. Sam is alive. We spoke to Sam. We greeted her. We told her what's going on. Same game as last night, yes. So Sam is alive. Sam, Smudge, you wouldn't know who Sam is. Sam is someone from the very first episode. Sam was with us on the ship that we first arrived on. She was the human we were helping at the time of the first episode, the very, very first episode, the prologue. She is the one who discovered that we're just a brain in a stasis pod, and we're effectively an AI now. She's the one who saved our lives by transmitting us to the Orion station on Mars. Since that's all she could do before the ship crashed. But she's alive. She got in a stasis pod and survived the lack of oxygen. The stasis pod was ejected from the ship during the crash, and she survived. So there you go. So she's fine. We told her what happened on Orion Station. And the two agents we met with last night, Bear and Raven, asked us basically to help them. Because we're basically now one of the very few living sources of information regarding what happened on Orion Station. There is one other. The Dr. Gorski is alive. Gorski, if you remember, was the doctor that was reassigned to be above Carla, and she was very angry about it. So he's alive. Adrian Gorski is his name. He's alive. It could be. I guess it could be a woman. I don't know. They are alive.
How come the spaceship crashed in episode 1? Is it related somehow?
It crashed in episode 1 because of Soli, the AI, who did not want us to escape. So we, during the process of creating, so we escaped the station we were on, which was, oh man. It was a different space station. Alright, so we escaped the station we were on. And I can't remember right now what the name of that station is, and I apologize. We escaped that station in that ship, and everything was fine. And while we were on that ship, we thought we need to deal with Soli. We need to deal with Code 7. We were informed about Code 7 by Soli, and we need to deal with it. So we need to create the Code 7 antivirus. I can do that, being, you know, a super awesome computer brain now. So I thought. And I did do that, except it required a lot of the ship's power to do it. The processing power of the computers needed to be overclocked in order to create the antivirus. That overclocking caused overheating, which caused hardware damage, which caused problems with the oxygen levels in the ship and life support in the ship, which is why Sam had to get into a stasis pod, which is why she couldn't control the ship, which is why it crashed into Orion Station. I think I have that right. Now, we now know, thanks to the end of episode 1, that we did not, in fact, create the Code 7 antivirus. We actually just created a copy of the virus itself, and we hand-delivered it to Earth. So thanks, us. I did not kill Sam. Sam is fine. I just said that. Yeah, Soli rode along with me. Yeah, when I was transferred down to Orion's, so was Soli. Yeah, nearly killed Sam, I guess. So when I was transferred down to the station, so was Soli, because Soli was still connected to me. Soli made us believe, via the handy-dandy hint helper voice that's been helping us throughout this game, that was actually Soli, and made us believe that we had wiped it, we had deleted it, which of course we hadn't. You know. So yeah, it was all a trick, it was all a trap, and we fell for it. And we suck. And Mrs. in chat, which does not suck. Meanwhile, we need to help Raven and Bear, Agent Raven and Bear, with their discoveries regarding the Phantom Plague, or with their research into the Phantom Plague, given the knowledge that we have. We also need to collect more data, and in order to do that, we were given a little assistant named Muffin, who is... I am not sure if they're a physical being, but they are definitely... I guess they're a physical being. They're like a little robot, it sounds like to me. And we can program them using basic scripting. And I'm trying to learn how to do that, but the tutorial is literally not telling me what it wants me to do next. It's like, try going forward. I've done that now. What would you like me to do now, tutorial guy? You're literally not telling me anything. Like, how am I supposed to complete a tutorial if I can't even... You know what I'm saying.
Code 7.
So, walked into a wall. That's great.
Go forward.
So I'm going to
Empty
delete
line.
all the...
Go forward. Empty line. Go forward. Empty line. Go forward.
Okay, all that's gone now.
Start program with space. Empty line. Choose command with tab. Start program with space. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys.
So let's try...
Available functions. Turn left.
Turn left.
Choose with return.
So I have to actually
Empty
kind of
line.
use a combination
Choose
of functions
command
to write a
with
program
TAB.
for this robot.
Available functions.
Turn left followed
forward.
by go forward.
Choose with empty line. Available functions. Go forward.
Another go forward.
Empty line. Available. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Go
Go
forward.
forward. There.
Turn left. Muffin is now looking up. Go forward. Muffin walked into a wall. Go forward. Muffin walked into a wall. Go forward. Muffin walked into a wall. Go forward. Muffin walked into a wall.
Okay.
End of code reached.
So that was not
Go
very
back
helpful.
to program
See, this is
editor
what I don't
with
understand.
space.
I don't understand how this is
Hold
going to
down
be
shift
useful.
to explore Muffin area with the
I guess I'm
arrow
not seeing it
keys.
in action, but like I don't get it. There's something I'm missing here, and I don't know what it is.
Empty line. Go forward. Empty line. Go forward. Empty line.
Like, how are
Go
we
forward.
going to even know what we're
Empty
looking
line.
for with this thing?
Turn left. Start program. Available. Muffin programming app.
Hello?
Turn left. Muffin is now looking up. End of code reached. Go back to program editor with space. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys.
Space.
Turn left. Muffin is now looking up. End of
Space.
Okay.
Turn
Shouldn't it
left.
be looking right now?
Muffin is now looking up.
Oh, boy.
Available functions.
Space.
Available.
Space.
End of code reached. Go back to program editor with space. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys.
I
Available.
don't know what to do.
Avail.
Space.
Available. Muffin pro.
What the heck?
Turn left. Muffin is now looking up. End of.
Space.
Empty line. Available. Go forward. Turn left. Turn right.
Turn right.
Choose with return. Empty line. Available functions. Go forward. Empty line. Turn right. Muffin is now looking down. Go forward. Muffin walked into a wall. End of code reached. Go back to program editor with space. Hold down shift. Available functions. Go forward. Turn left. Go forward. Turn right. Empty line. Available functions. Go forward. Turn left. Choose with return. Go forward. Turn left. Turn right. Empty line. Available functions. Go forward. Go forward. Choose. Turn left. Turn right. Empty line. Available functions. Go forward. Available functions. Go forward. Go forward. Empty line. Choose. Turn right. Muffin is now looking down. Turn right. Muffin is now looking left. Go forward. Muffin walked into a wall. End of code reached. Go back to program editor with space. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys.
Code 7.
I don't understand. I don't understand it. Yep.
So allow this room, maybe use that out. Select 2 button. So allow this room. Moderator backtrack. So allow this select 2 button. Backtrack clickable. I was in the river. Select 2 button.
Yep.
Code 7. Code 7.
X. A wall is blocking the way. Current place. Muffin position. Muffin facing left. Movable
Muffin's
from
facing
here.
left.
Right. Use the arrow keys for movement. X. Movable from here. Left. Right. Use the arrow keys for movement.
Okay. So this is how we have to do it. We have to explore the map, find what we're looking for this way, and then program Muffin.
X. Movable from here. Left. Right. Use the arrow keys for X. Movable from here.
So I'm going right now,
Left.
along this wall.
Use the arrow keys for movement. X. A wall is blocking the way. Current place. Movable from here. Up. Left. Use the arrow keys for movement.
Okay, okay. Okay.
X. Movable from here. X. Movable from here. Left. X. Muffin position. Muffin facing left.
So we need to go 2 to the
Movable from
right.
here. Right. Use the arrow keys for movement.
The muffin's facing left. How do we
Game
change that?
continued. End of code reached. Go back to program. Go forward. Empty line. Turn right. Empty line. Turn right. Start program with space. Empty line. Choose
Okay.
command with tab.
Alright, so
Start program with space.
facing left.
Available functions. Go forward. Go forward. Turn left. Turn right.
So turn right.
Empty line. Choose command with tab. Start program with space.
Can we just run that?
Turn right. Muffin is now looking down. End of code reached. Go back to
Okay,
Muffin
so if
position.
we... Hang on.
X.
I'm working this
Muffin
out.
position.
Working this out, guys.
Muffin facing down.
Facing down.
Movable from here.
Okay.
Right.
So then let's run.
Use the arrow. Turn right. Muffin is now looking down. End of X. X. Muffin position. Muffin facing down. Movable from here. Right. Use the arrow keys for movement. Game continued.
How do we...
End of code reached. Available. Go forward. Turn left. Turn right. Empty line. Choose turn right. Muffin is now looking down. Turn right. Muffin is now looking left.
Why?
End of code
How?
reached.
Why? What?
Go back to program editor with space. Hold down shift to explore Muffin
Oh
area
my.
with the arrow keys.
Oh my. What?
Turn right. Empty line. Turn right. Empty line. Available. Go forward. Turn left.
We need you to face
Empty
right
line.
there, buddy.
Available. Go forward. Turn left. Empty line. Choose command with turn left. Muffin is now looking up. Turn left. Muffin is now looking left. End of code
Oh
reached.
no, I don't...
Go back to program
I don't
editor with
understand
space.
this.
Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys.
So is it like... I think I might get it. Hang on. I think I might get it.
Turn left.
Let's erase that one.
Empty line. Available functions. Turn right.
Let's turn right.
Choose with return. Empty line.
Let's run
Choose
this.
Turn left. Muffin is now looking up. Turn right. Muffin is now looking right.
Yes.
End of code
Okay.
reached.
Okay.
Go back to program
So-
editor with space. Hold down
When-
shift to
when
explore
Muffin
Muffin area
is
with the arrow keys.
Vertical. When Muffin is vertical, you need, that's when you choose. You're choosing. So if he's facing up or facing down, turning him from that point in either direction will choose which direction he ultimately faces. So like up or down is like the middling position, but then turning left or right will choose whether he faces left or right. So it's I had to turn left, then right to get him to look up, then right. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is going to be fun, guys. Alright, but we know what to do. At least. We know which way we're going.
Turn right. Empty line. Turn left. Empty line.
Alright, so now he's facing the right
Choose
way.
command with
Let me just make
TAB.
sure.
X. X. Muffin position. Muffin facing right.
Yes, he's facing right.
Muffin programming
Right.
app.
Okay.
Right. Available functions. Turn right.
No.
Muffin. Go forward. Choose with empty line.
Go forward.
Available. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Choose command with TAB. Available
And
functions.
then
Go forward. Turn left.
turn left.
Choose with empty line. Choose command. Go forward. Go forward. Turn left. Muffin is now looking up. End of code reached. Go back to program editor with space.
Okay, okay.
Hold down shift to explore muffin area with the arrow keys.
Okay. Okay, so...
Muffin position. Muffin facing up. Movable from here. Left. Right. Use the arrow keys for movement. X. Movable from here. Up.
Oh, it was
Left.
3. Oh, I miscounted.
Use the
It
arrow
was
keys
3.
for movement.
Dang it. Okay,
X. Muffin position.
I gotta turn him again.
Muffin facing up.
Oh boy, this is a
Movable
thing.
from here.
This is a thing.
Left. Available functions. Go forward.
Oh wait, I have to...
Turn. Muffin position. Available
Space.
Turn left. Empty line. Choose command with tab. Start go forward. Empty line. Go forward. Start program with space.
Okay.
Hold down
Alright,
shift
so
to
I need
explore
to-
muffin area. Empty line.
I need
Choose
to...
command with tab. Turn left.
Turn
right.
right.
Empty line. Available functions. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Go forward. Turn
Then
left.
Turn left.
Empty line. Choose command. Turn right. Muffin is now looking down.
No!
Muffin walked into a wall.
Why?
Turn left.
Why
Muffin is
did
now
that
looking
happen?
right. End of code
Why?
reached. Go back to program editor with space. Hold down shift to explore muffin
What?
area with
What?
the arrow keys.
What?
Free live dashboard, switch to free live dash, link graphic, switch time, set as graphic clickable. Just think when you finally get through this, you will have completed the goal tutorial and you're ready to take on the real challenge.
I know, right?
202, link graphic, graphic, lagging message, signs are lost. Plus 200, link graphic, PRP, full void button.
Apparently I don't get it. Because why... Apparently I don't get it. I turned him right when he was looking up, and suddenly he was looking down. Not right. When I turned him left, after that, then he was looking right.
Space. Mozilla Firefox, new tab. One region, 14 heading. Mozilla Firefox.
Hey,
Switch Mozilla Firefox.
that's rude.
Link dashboard, switch. Welcome to the chat room.
I just ended up refreshing my chat by
Link dashboard,
accident.
switch.
Because I pressed buttons thinking I was in the code center.
Enter title list contains super code 7, search edit. Description option.
Oh man.
Description option. Send a message, send. Welcome to the chat room. Code 7. Code 7. Space.
Okay.
Turn left.
Left.
Empty line.
Left.
Go forward.
Left.
Empty line.
Left.
Turn right.
Left.
Empty line.
Left.
Okay. So
Available. Go forward. Choose
go
with
forward.
empty line. Available.
Now-
Go forward. Turn left.
Turn left.
Empty line.
Space.
Go forward. Turn left. Muffin is now looking up. End of code
Okay.
reached.
Now looking up.
Go back to program
Okay.
editor with space. Hold down shift to explore. Muffin position. Muffin facing up. Movable from here. Left. Right. Use the arrow keys for
What?
movement. Game continued.
What?
Muffin X. Movable from here. Left. Right. Use the arrow keys for movement.
Oh
X.
man,
Movable from here. Up. Left.
It's
Use
like we
the arrow
went
keys for
backwards.
movement.
What?
Game continued. End of code reached. Go back to program editor with space. Hold down shift to explore muffin area with the arrow keys.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Do you have to write the whole program? Wait a minute.
Muffin position. Muffin
Oh
facing up.
god, no. Oh, don't tell
Muffin
me this is the
position.
way it...
X.
That
Movable
doesn't make
from
sense,
here.
though.
X. A wall is blocking the way. X. A wall is blocking the way. Current place.
Does it?
Movable from here.
Maybe it does.
Right. X. Muffin position. Muffin facing up. Movable from here. Left. Right. Use the arrow keys for movement. Game continued.
Okay.
End of code reached.
Oh my god. Okay.
X. Movable from here. Left. Right. Use the arrow keys for
No,
movement.
because he's been in other positions
X.
before. I don't
Movable
know,
from
man.
here. Up.
So 2
Left.
right,
Use the X.
then we need to
Shaft
turn
exit
him.
here. Movable from here. Down. Use the arrow keys for movement.
Okay.
Game continued. End of code.
So that's where we need to
reached.
get him. That's where we need to
Go
get him right
back to
there.
program editor with space.
So I need to do it all in one, I
Hold.
think.
Available functions. Go forward. Turn left. Empty line. Go forward. Empty line.
Okay, so I've tried something here. I just deleted the
Muffin
program.
position. Muffin facing right. Movable from X. A wall is blocking the way.
There's a wall there.
X. A wall is blocking the
And
way.
there's no way back down.
Current
So I think
place.
this is actually
X.
the beginning.
Movable from here.
Okay.
Left. Right. X. Movable from here. Left. Right.
So
X.
2 forward.
Movable from here. Up. Left.
Then we need to turn him.
Muffin programming app.
Okay, and then
Write
go
down
forward
a
again.
program with the keyboard.
Okay.
Start
Okay.
program with space.
So when you delete the program, it's
Use
like
tab to
it's like
list all
resetting its
available
position too,
commands.
which doesn't make any sense.
Available functions.
But
Go forward.
okay, so go
Empty
forward.
line. Available. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Choose. Available. Go forward. Turn left.
Turn left.
Empty line. Available. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Choose command with tab.
Here we go.
Start program. Go forward. Go forward. Turn left. Muffin is now looking up. Go forward. Muffin walked into a wall. End of code reached. Go back to program editor with space. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys.
What?
X. Movable from X. Muffin position. Muffin facing up. Movable from here. Left. Right. Use the arrow key. X.
How did I mess that up?
X. Movable from here. Right.
So it's 3.
X. A wall is
Yeah,
blocking
it is
the way.
3.
Current place.
Okay.
Movable from here.
Okay.
Right.
It's I messed up.
Go forward. Start empty line. Turn
We
left.
delete this much.
Start program
And
with space. Empty
Go back to
line.
this, and then we
Available.
another-
Turn right.
do another go forward here.
Muffin programming app. Write down a available functions.
What did I just?
Go forward. Turn left.
what did I
Go
just do?
forward. Turn left. Choose with return. Turn right.
Then
Muffin program. Go forward. Turn left. Empty
left,
line. Available. Go
then
forward.
Go forward again.
Available.
Hey.
Not enough space in programming editor for new line.
Oh.
Go forward. Go forward. Go forward. Turn left. Muffin is now looking up. Go forward.
Yes.
Muffin has found the exit.
Yes.
Level solved.
Yes.
Muffin learn level menu.
Yes.
Choose a level to start with the up.
Oh
and
my
down arrow keys.
god. Well.
Simple movement 1. Not done yet.
Okay.
Start with return.
Okay. So I understand
Close app
now.
with escape.
Do not tell me
Simple
simple movement's not
movement
done.
Already done.
Okay. It switched it.
Start with return.
It said not done yet, and then
Close
it changed
app
it.
with
It's like,
escape.
oh yeah. Wait. You did do
Muffin
it.
learn level menu.
Oh my god, dude. Okay, so it's a little bit nonsense. It's a little bit nonsense. Yes. Right. Well, okay, that's fair. It's a realistic experience in that sense, but I don't think I like the way that it works. I don't see how, like, I'm pretty sure this thing is supposed to be a robot, a little robot. So how is it that erasing his programming after he's moved also somehow moves him backwards? Okay. Let's see what else he can do. Now that I understand how this part works.
Simple movement 2.
Simple
Not
movement
done
2.
yet.
Okay.
Start with
What you
return
got?
of Muffin programming app. Write down a program with the keyboard. Start program with space. Use tab to list all available commands. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys.
Alright. What do we got?
Muffin position. Muffin facing right.
Muffin's
Movable
facing
from
right.
here. Right.
You can go right.
Use the arrow keys
Only
for
right.
movement.
Okay, so 1.
X. Movable from here. Down. Left.
Okay, okay.
Right. Use
Ooh,
the arrow keys
multiple
for movement.
pathways. Okay, so we need to do multiple exploration passes then. And delete the script after each one, I guess? Or, well, let's see. So let's go down.
X. Movable from here. Up. Right. Use the arrow X.
Right.
Movable from here. Up. Left. Right.
Oh,
the arrow
no.
keys for
Oh,
movement.
no.
X.
Right.
Movable from here. Up. Left. Right. Use the
Ah.
arrow keys. X. Training pit here movable from here. Left. Use the arrow keys for movement.
Training pit here. Okay, so I think we need to run a script that gets him here.
X. Movable X. Movable from here.
What's
Down.
on the upper level?
Left. Right. Use X. Shaft exit here
Yeah, that's
movable
the
from
exit.
here. Left. Use the
So I think we
arrow
need to.
keys
I
Muffin
think we need to write him
programming
a
app.
script
Muffin
for the
position.
training pit
Muffin facing
thing
right.
first.
Movable from here.
Okay,
Right.
so we need to go
Use
forward
the
once.
Movable from here.
Then we need to turn right,
Left.
because so he'll be looking down,
X. Movable from
and
here.
then
Up. Right. Use the arrow keys for movement.
forward, and then
X.
1,
Movable from here.
2,
X. Movable from here.
3.
X.
After
Training pit here movable
Yeah.
from here.
that. Okay.
Muffin programming
So
app.
4 total.
Write down a
once we turn it.
program with the keyboard.
Okay, here we go.
Available functions. Go forward.
Forward.
Empty line. Available Go forward. Turn left.
Turn
right.
right.
Empty line. Available. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Available functions. Go forward. Turn
Oh,
left.
and then
Go forward.
he's got to turn left.
Turn left. Choose
So he'll
with
be facing
return.
right.
Empty line. Available Go forward.
Go
Empty
forward.
line. Available. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Available. Go forward.
Forward.
Empty line. Go
And
forward.
go forward.
Empty line. Choose command with
Here we go.
TAB. Go forward. Turn right. Muffin is now looking down. Go forward. Turn left. Muffin is now looking right. Go forward. Go forward. Go forward.
No?
X. X. Movable from here. Down. X. Muffin position. Muffin facing right. Movable from here. Right. Use the arrow keys for movement. X. Movable from here. Down.
Why is
Left.
it the beginning again?
Right. X. Movable from here. Up. Right. X.
Forward.
Movable from X.
Forward.
Movable from X.
Forward.
Training pit here movable
Yeah.
from here. Left. Use the arrow X. A wall is blocking the way.
What?
Muffin programming app.
So was I
Write
not
down
supposed
the
to do
program
that?
with the keyboard. Start program with
What?
space. Use tab to list
It's
all
like here,
available
sometimes they'll
commands.
be optional. I don't know.
Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys. X. Movable X. Training X. Movable from
Wait,
X.
what?
X. Movable from here. Down. X. A wall is blocking X. Move X. A wall is block X. X. Movable from here. Up. Left. Right. X. Movable from here. Up. Right. Use the arrow keys for Muffin. Muffin position. Muffin facing right. Movable from here. X. A wall is blocked. X. Movable. X. Training pit here movable from here. Down. Left. Right. Use the arrow. X. Movable from here.
Oh, I see.
Down.
I think I see what's
Left.
going to happen.
X. Shaft exit here movable from here. Left. Use the arrow. X. Shaft exit here. X.
I think I see.
Shaft exit here movable from here. Left. Use the arrow. Shaft exit here. X. A wall is blocking the way. X. Shaft exit. Muffin position. X. Movable from here. Down. Left. Right. X. Training pit here movable from here.
We need him to go this way.
Down.
We need him to go straight right.
Left. Right.
I think he's going to fall into this
Muffin
pit.
programming app.
I think he
Write
falls
down the
into it,
program
I
with the
think.
keyboard. Start program with space.
I'm not sure how this
Use
is going
tab
to
to
work.
list all of
Let's
X,
try to write a
X,
script that brings him to...
X. Movable from here. X. Shaft exit.
The
Muffin
exit.
programming app. Write down
It's
a
just
program
straight
with the keyboard.
forward 4 times.
Start program with space.
Okay.
Go forward.
We need to get rid of all this.
Empty line. Empty line. Turn right. Empty line. Go forward. Empty line.
Okay.
Available. Go forward. Empty
Go
line.
forward.
Available. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Go
Go forward. So I
Empty
think he's
line.
gonna fall. I think that's what they're
Choose
trying to show
command
me
with
here.
TAB.
So when I did
Start
the
program with
first round, I
space.
think I was
Hold
on the
down
bottom of
shift
that
to
pit.
explore muffin area with the arrow.
Let's see what
keys.
happens.
Go forward. Go forward. X. Move X. Muffin position. Muffin facing right. Movable from here. Right. Use the arrow X.
What?
Muffin programming app. Write down a program with the keyboard. Start program with space. Use tab to list all available commands. Hold down shift to explore muffin area with the arrow keys.
What? Is it trying to just... Hang on. I think I understand what it's trying
Movable
to do.
from here.
God.
Muffin programming app. X.
Okay.
Movable from here.
See if I'm right.
Down. X. Movable from here. Up. Right. Use the
think
arrow
what I have to
keys.
do
X.
is
Movable from
Move
here.
through this without running into those training things.
Left.
Without
Right.
running into them.
X. Movable from here. Up. Left. X. Training pit here movable from here. Left. Use the X. Movable from here.
Yeah.
Up.
So I need to go
Left. Right.
Right. I think I
the
see.
X.
I think I see.
Movable from here. Up. Left.
It
Right.
could be a lot clearer on this
X.
though, in my opinion.
Movable from here. Up. Right. X. Movable from here. Up. Right. U X. Movable X. Training pit here movable X. Movable X. Muffin position. Muffin facing right.
Okay, so
Movable from here.
forward 1,
Right. X. Movable from here.
then turn right
Down.
to go down.
X. Movable from here.
Then
Up. Right. U
go
X.
right.
Movable from here. Up. Left. Right. X.
2.
Movable from here. Up. Left. Right.
Go
X.
up.
Movable from here. Down. Left. Right. Use the arrow X. Shaft exit
And the
here
exit
move
is right
Muffin
there.
programming app. Write down
Okay.
the program with the keyboard.
God dang it.
Start program. Go forward.
This is
Go
something
empty
else.
line. Empty line. Go forward. Empty line. Available
Okay.
functions. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Available functions. Go forward. Turn left. Turn right.
Right.
Empty line. Available. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Available. Go forward. Turn left. Empty line. Available. Go forward.
Go
Empty
forward.
line. Available. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Available. Go forward. Turn left.
Turn
Empty
left.
line. Available. Go forward.
Go
Empty
forward.
line. Available functions. Go forward. Turn left. Turn right. Empty line. Available
And
functions. Go forward.
Go forward. This should do it.
Go forward. Turn right. Muffin is now looking down. Go forward. Turn left. Muffin is now looking right. Go forward. Go forward. Turn left. Muffin is now looking up. Go forward. Turn right. Muffin is now looking right. Go forward. Muffin has found the exit. Level solved.
Holy cow!
Muffin learn level menu.
Oh my god,
Choose a
dude.
level to start with the up and down arrow keys.
Okay, so
Simple
those
movement
training
two.
things are no-nos.
Not done yet.
It's like dying in
Start
Mario.
with return.
You hit one of
Close
those,
up with
you go back to the
escape.
beginning.
Simple movement 1. Already done. Start with
My god. Yeah, it's like dying in Mario. It's a bad place to go to. You go there, it immediately resets your starting position. Yeah, I don't know. Like there could be life and death situations with this freaking thing. I could see it. Not enough time in the day. What's going on, Misty? No panicking. You'll be all right. Whatever it is, you'll work it out. Oh, you wanted to have more done? Yeah, I understand that. I think it's kind of been a whirlwind for you, though. Like, oh, you're on the guest list of another show. Oh, all right. Zoom. Ah. My goodness. Whew. Yeah, we do leave Monday, yep. Yep, we leave Monday, so we gotta get it going here. Misty, this is our life now. We have to be everywhere at once. This is our life now. This is what we do. Me and you, for different reasons, have to be everywhere at once. I mean, I'll be recording our podcast from our hotel room in Kentucky. Oh, that's cool. That's cool, Smudge. That's cool. Yeah, I know it. I know it. I know it is.
simple movement 2. Already done. Buttons, not done yet.
Okay, buttons.
Start with return.
I'll start this training
Close
level.
app with escape.
Oh boy.
There's a button on the ground. Muffin should have a command for pressing it.
New command available. To use press button. Press space to continue.
And we can now tell him to press buttons. Okay.
Muffin programming app. Write down a program with the keyboard. Start program with space. Use tab to list all available commands. Muffin position. Muffin facing right. Movable from here. Right. Use the arrow keys for movement. X. Movable from here. Left. Right. Use the arrow keys for movement.
Okay, so far just going
X.
forward.
Movable from here. Left. Right. Use the arrow keys for movement. X. Movable from here. Down. Left. Use the arrow keys for movement. X. Button here movable from here.
Aha.
Up. Use the arrow keys for movement.
Okay.
X. A wall is blocking the way.
So we need to go.
X. Movable from
Hang
here.
on, let's reset
Down.
this.
Muffin. Muffin position. X.
Okay, 1,
Movable from here.
2,
X. X.
3,
Movable from here. Down.
3.
Left.
Okay.
Muffin
All right, I got
programming
this.
app. Write down available. Go forward.
Go
Empty
forward.
line. Available. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Go forward. Press button. Turn left.
Nope.
Turn right. Empty line. Available. Go forward.
Forward.
Empty line. Available. Go forward.
And
Press button.
press button.
Empty line. Go forward. Go forward. Go forward. Turn right. Muffin is now looking down. Go forward. Press button. Muffin has pressed a button. End of code reached. Go back to program editor with space. Hold down shift to explore Muffin
Okay.
area with the arrow keys.
Okay, so we did it. We pressed the button. What do you want from me now?
X. A wall is blocking the way. Current place. Muffin position. Muffin facing down. Button here movable from here. Up. Use the arrow. X. Movable from here. Down. Left. Use the arrow keys for movement. X. Movable from here. Left. Right. Use the arrow. X. Movable from here. Up. Left.
Oh,
Right. Use the arrow keys for movement.
now there's a new place to move to. Okay, I see.
X. Movable from here. Right. Use the arrow. X. A wall is blocking the way.
Okay,
Current place. Movable from here.
so if we...
Right. Use the arrow keys for movement. Muffin position. Muffin facing down. Button here movable from here. Up. Use the arrow keys for movement.
So if we erase the press button, the go forward, the turn right, he'll be
X.
here.
Movable from here.
Then if we erase
Down.
one
X.
of those,
Movable from here. Left.
two
X.
of those,
Movable from here. Up.
Okay.
Left. Right. Use the arrow. Press button. Empty line. Go forward. Empty line. Turn right. Empty line. Go forward. Empty line. Go forward. Empty line.
turn this into a turn left.
Empty line. Choose command with tab. Start program with space. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys. Turn left. Empty line. Turn left. Go forward. Empty line.
Yeah.
Turn left. Empty line. Turn left. Empty line.
Okay, and then
Choose command with tab. Available
go
functions. Go forward. Press button. Turn left. Turn right. Go forward. Empty line. Choose available. Go
Then-
forward. Press button. Turn left. Turn right.
turn right.
Empty line. Available functions. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Available. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Avail. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Avail. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Choose
probably too
command.
much.
Go forward. Turn left. Muffin is now looking up. Go forward. Muffin walked into a wall. Turn right. Muffin is now looking right. Go forward.
I messed that all up.
Go forward. Go forward. Muffin walked into a wall.
I messed that all up.
Go forward.
Okay.
Muffin.
Alright, alright, alright.
Go forward.
No. I need to
Available fun.
get rid of everything.
Available. End of code reached. Go forward.
Yeah, there we go.
Go empty line. Turn left. Empty line. Go forward.
Okay. So now,
Available functions.
instead we need to go...
Go forward. Press button. Go
Go
forward.
forward.
Empty line. Available. Go forward. Press button.
Then
Turn left.
turn left.
Empty line. Go forward. Empty
Forward.
line. Go forward. Press button. Turn left. Turn right. Empty line. Go forward. Empty line. Available. Go forward. Empty line. Go forward. Empty line. Go forward. Empty line. Go forward. Empty line.
Let's see how this
Go
goes.
forward. Turn left. Muffin is now looking up. Go forward. Muffin walked into a
What
wall.
the heck?
Turn right.
What the heck?
Muffin is now looking right. Go
Okay.
Go forward. Go forward. Go forward. Muffin walked into a wall. End of code reached. Go back to program editor with go forward. Go forward.
And to
Empty
reevaluate.
line. Empty line. Turn left. Go forward. Empty line. Muffin position.
What's this position?
Muffin facing right. Movable from here. Right. Use the arrow X. Movable from here. Left. Right. Use the arrow X. Movable from here. Left. Right. Use the arrow keys for
Oh my
movement.
god, we have to do the
X.
we
X.
oh my
A
god.
wall is blocking the way.
Oh my. Oh my. Oh my god. Okay. Even if you press a button, this doesn't make any sense. If you press a button, the button does not remain pressed if you erase the code that you wrote to do it.
Code 7. Free light dashboard. Code 3 light dashboard. 0 100 set graphic clickable. Smut 200 2 incinerator button. Smut 200 2
What?
Incinerator 0 1 7 moderator back graphic photo photographer incinerator. Smut 200 back text and HTTPS if you want to see a stop. My thought incinerator
Yeah,
button.
she's a concert photographer.
Incinerator 0 1 7 moderator back graphic clickable. Graphic clickable would be a problem. Would incinerator do just stop having that 17 more hours a day. Through time traveler display magic. None of this. Smut 200 would be a problem. Smut 2 incinerator.
Right.
All I do about facing like anyone walking putting your limits and like what am I supposed to find time to do? Rejoice, joy at. But they all incinerator.
Joyous return!
Back graphic super light is I told my doctor this is what I wanted to 50. Second rejoice, joy at, full joy button. Rejoice, joy at return.
Okay, so once again, the button unpresses itself if you erase the code that presses the button. I have to do this all in one go. The whole thing. Holy freaking crap. What in the world?
Code 7.
Will I actually get to, like, you know... Like, I feel this is necessary because I think we're going to be using this thing, but will I actually get to play the game today? I don't know.
Muffin X. Movable from here.
Okay,
Left. Right. Use the arrow
so
X.
forward twice,
Movable from here.
then we turn
Left.
right.
Right. Use the arrow
No,
keys
no.
for movement.
Forward 3 times?
X. Movable from here. Down.
Yeah.
Left.
Yeah, 3 times.
Use the
3
arrow
times.
keys for
Forward 3
movement.
times. Turn right. Go forward again.
X. Button here movable from
Press
here.
the button.
Up. Use the arrow keys for movement.
Then we turn. Yeah, so I was just supposed to add on to the I guess you could do it that way. You could just, as long as you're just adding on to the program, it'll work. As long as you don't delete anything. I could have done it that way. But anyway, we have to bring him back up. And then go left twice, I believe. And then... Okay.
Muffin
Gosh.
programming app. Available. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Available. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Available. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Go. Press button. Turn left. Turn right.
Turn
Empty
right.
line. Available. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Go forward. Press button.
Press button.
Empty line. Available. Go forward. Press button. Turn left.
Turn
Empty
left.
line. Available. Go forward. Press button. Turn left.
Turn left.
Empty line. Available Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Choose available functions. Go forward. Press button. Turn left.
Turn left.
Empty line. Available. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Go forward.
Go forward.
Empty line. Go forward. Turn left. Turn right.
Turn right.
Empty line. Go forward.
Go forward.
Choose winner.
That's apparently all the room we have, so let's see what happens.
Go forward. Go forward. Go forward. Turn right. Muffin is now looking down. Go forward. Press button. Muffin has pressed a button. Turn left. Muffin is now looking right. Turn left. Muffin is now looking up. Go forward. Turn left. Muffin is now looking left. Go forward. Go forward. Turn right. Muffin is now looking up. Go forward. Muffin has found the exit. Level solved.
My God!
Muffin learn
I
level
did that.
menu.
I did that all in
Choose a
one
level to
take.
start with the up and
Well, I
down
mean, you
arrow
know,
keys.
One script
Not
writing
done
just
yet.
from memory.
Start
You know
with
what I
return.
mean? You know what I mean?
Close app with
It
escape.
wasn't in one take.
Simple
That's fair.
movement 1. Already done. Start with return. Close app with escape. Muffin learn level menu. Choose a level to
We
start
are
with
at the
up
beginning
and
of
down
episode
arrow
2
keys.
still, because I'm still doing
Simple
the Muffin
movement one.
tutorials.
Already done. Start with return. Close app with escape.
Oh my God, that was something. I did it, but it was something. My goodness.
Simple movement 2. Buttons. Already. Wind. Not done yet. Simple movement 1. Wind.
Okay, there's
Not
only
done
one
yet.
tutorial yet left.
Start with
There's
return.
only one left.
Of Muffin programming app. Write down a program with the keyboard. Start program with space. Use tab to list all available commands. Hold down shift to explore Muffin area with the arrow keys.
This tutorial is called Wind. I don't like that.
Muffin position.
But let's just try to
Muffin
move him
facing
through,
right.
and I'm sure everything will be
Movable
fine.
from
Nothing
here.
bad's gonna happen.
Right. Use the arrow key X.
Okay.
Wind here going down.
Wind here
It
going
changes
down.
every 0 Muffin movements movable from here. Down. Left. Right. Use the arrow keys for movement. X. Movable from here. Down. Left. Right. Use the arrow
So he's gonna be
keys for
blown
movement.
down. I think. He's gonna be blown down, I think.
X. Shaft exit here movable from here. Left. X. X. Wind here going down. It changes every 0 Muffin movements movable from here. Down. Left.
Okay, so if he's
X.
moved
Wind here
down,
going down.
but he'll still be facing
It
right
changes
theoretically,
every 0 Muffin movements movable
because the
from
wind
here.
is gonna blow him down.
Up. Down.
If I understand this
Use
correctly.
the arrow keys for movement.
But he's gonna go
X.
down
Wind
again.
here going down. It changes
And
every
down
0
again.
Muffin movements movable from here. Up. Right. Use the arrow keys for movement. X. A wall is blocking the way.
Yeah, so it can't blow him any further.
Current place.
So he should be able to move
Wind here
right.
going X. Movable from here. Up. Left. Use the arrow key X. A wall is blocking the way.
Okay, and then
Current place.
and then he'll have to go up
Movable from here.
twice.
Up.
Because he's gonna be.
Left.
I think I see how
Use
this is
the
gonna
arrow
work.
keys
I just
for
don't know
movement.
100% if I'm right. So I'll have to go up twice. It
X.
looks like.
Movable from here. Up. Down. Use the arrow X. Movable from here. Up. Down. Use the arrow keys for movement.
Or 3 times.
X. Movable from here. Down.
Yeah.
Left. Right. Use the arrow keys for movement. X. Shaft exit here movable from here. Left.
Yeah.
Muffin programming app.
Okay.
Write down a program with the keyboard.
So
Muffin
what
position.
I need to program
X.
is actually
Wind
just
here
2
going down.
forwards
It changes every Muffin programming
and then
app.
the ups.
Write down a program with the keyboard.
Okay, I think I have this right.
Available.
We're
Go
about to
forward.
find out.
Empty line.
Forward.
Available. Go forward.
Forward. So the forward's gonna
Choose
take him
with
into the
return.
wind. all the way down, theoretically. The second forward is going
Empty
to move
line.
him away from it at the
Choose
bottom.
command. Available
Then-
functions. Go
He's
forward.
going to need to go back
Press
up,
button.
which is not controlled by
Turn
wind.
left.
So turn left.
Empty line. Go forward.
Go
Empty
forward.
line. Go forward.
Forward.
Empty line. Go forward.
Forward.
Empty line. Go forward. Press button.
Then
Turn left. Turn right.
right.
Empty line. Go
Go
forward.
forward. Well, we ran out of room at the exact point that we should be done with the script, so let's see if I'm exactly right about how this works.
Go forward. Muffin was moved by wind. Go forward. Turn left. Muffin is now looking up. Go forward. Go forward.
Yeah, it looks
Go
like I was
forward.
right.
Turn right.
He was able to move up 3
Muffin
times.
is now looking right.
And,
Go forward.
yeah.
Muffin has found the exit. Level
I
solved.
did it! I did it
Muffin
all!
learn level menu. Choose a
So
level
the
to start
wind
with
will
the
move
up
him
and down arrow
automatically,
keys.
as much wind as there
Wind.
is, as
Not
far as
done
it
yet.
goes.
Start with return.
What really worries
Close
me,
app
though,
with escape.
is you can
Simple
tell,
movement 1.
based on what
Already done.
the thing said, that was easy wind. And I say that because notice it also said changes every 0 muffin movements. Which means, which I guarantee you means, we're going to have a puzzle where the wind changes every certain amount of muffin movements. And when it changes, it's going to suck, and oh god, oh god, oh god. I'm scared.
Simple move buttons. Wind. Simple movement 1.
Okay, we're done.
Available commands.
We have done all of the learning.
EIU 1168.
My god.
Muffin.
Oh.
Objectives.
Okay.
System.
Okay.
Current.
Let's move on with the frickin' plot.
Code 7.
The
Green light.
frickin'
Confirm
plot.
green light. Message. Yeah, it sounds like it's no games. Select 202 button. Link graphic switch. You'll be able to develop your own games after this. Roll. Actor 1 button. You'll be able to develop your own games after this. Roll. Actually, it's funny. Swift playgrounds and learning Swift is the same stuff you do.
This is the same stuff you do? Oh my god. I mean, this isn't... If your goal is to develop a game, this isn't bad. But, I have a very, 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 very small amount of coding experience. So I have the basic idea of coding, but I still disagree with the way this works. Personally. I don't think that erasing lines of code should reset the movements of a little robot. Doesn't make any sense. Oh, it also resets whether or not a button was pressed. If you erase the press button line, the button itself was no longer pressed. You're actually warping reality. You're warping reality. Oh god. Alright. Okay.
Green light dashboard. 1 button. Link graphic switch. To work further replaying by you. Central. Yeah, it sounds like it's no games.
Ugh.
Task position. Code 7. Code 7.
Whew. Alright.
Objectives.
Objectives. That's what we're supposed to do.
Choose objectives. Available commands. Access. Current mission.
Access.
Missions app. Close app with escape. Move through list with up and down arrows. Start mission with return. Currently selected.
Oh, that's neat.
Orion's Data Hub. Sneak into the Orion's data facility and extract their research and project backups. Start mission with return.
Okay.
Hermes facility. Infiltrate the Orion's receiver station and find out where Gorski went. Start mission with return. Orion's Data Hub.
Okay, so we have 2 missions.
Sneak into the
Orion's
Orion's
Data
data
Hub.
facility and extract their
And
research
so we
and
can
project
sneak and extract
backups.
information, research and project
Start mission
backups,
with
and
return.
the Hermes facility.
Hermes facility.
Find out what happened to Gorski.
Infiltrate the Orion's receiver station and find out where Gorski went.
What should we do first, chat?
Start mission with return. Exit app with escape.
Although before this, before we do any of
commands.
this, I'm going to invade their
Available
computers.
commands.
I'm going to do that.
EIU 1168. Available commands. Apps. Network. Apps.
What you got? What you got? Computer.
Available commands.
What you got, computer?
Mail.
Yeah, we got mail.
Current mission.
Yeah, we got mail.
Mail.
Enter.
Subject. Rabbit's remarkable reports from rabbit at nullmailer.earth. 25118 at nullmailer.earth. Sent. December 29, 2113. Dearest partners. We're back from the Orion's mission. I am recovering from the attack. Boy, that Novi had a nasty punch. Good news, I can feel my legs again. Bad news, it'll be out for a couple of months. So I will use this time to spam you with useful information. Navigate mails with the up and down
Great, so
arrows.
Rabbit's going to spam their computer.
Subject, Rabbit's remarkable reports I. From, subject, Rabbit's remarkable reports I.
That's the only email, okay.
From,
There's no actual
1168.
intelligence info there.
Available
Oh,
commands.
man.
EIU 1168.
Just a little email you can read. Alright.
Yeah, it sounds like it's okay. Set fire is the language of magic. Link graphic is full button. Link graphic moderator. The red bars are the full button. The red bars are the basic room necessary for the spell you cast. Full link graphic 9 months of moderator. Back graphic you want it to do it. Will take it to them manually. Supposed to help you do things. More often than not cause link graphic must supposed to help you do things. More often than not cause ultimate confusion and frustration in the process of making it much slower to do things. You want it to do it. Will take it to them manually.
Yeah.
Supposed to help you do things. More often than not cause ultimate confusion and frustration. Cancel link HTTP if you want to see link HTTP. Orange one button. Yeah, erasing code from make things change in the RAM. Orange one. Full button. 10 months of talk to each other and help you do things. Full button. Smut full button. Rocks with lightning. Full smut 200 2 button. Struggling. Smut 200. My smut 200 2 button. To be fair, I think being able to see a state of your makes a huge difference to being able to do this. Spatial awareness from audio only. Smut 200. Yeah, it sounds like it's okay. Smut to be fair, I think being able to see a state of your makes a huge difference to being able to do this. Spatial awareness from audio only. Really suitably with.
Yeah, maybe. I mean, maybe that would help, but here's the thing. Like, this is a good example, whether you like it or not, this is a good example of what I'm trying to do, you know what I'm saying? Like, I probably would have had some more accessibility feedback on this had I consulted on this game. Something that maybe tells us that the position of Muffin was also resetting as we moved back, without us having to manually figure out that was happening. Because there's a difference between not giving us solutions to puzzles and, you know, making things a little bit more user-friendly, in my opinion. That wasn't a puzzle, it was something I had to figure out based on the fact that the position was changing when I navigated the map. Yeah, that would have helped. Yeah. Because you're right. You can't see the position of it, and, you know, that's something that you know, physically, me personally, I can't change. I will never be able to see the position of it. So, you know, we're going to want as much position as possible, or as much information as possible as regarding position of it and everything like that. So, yeah, I hear you. I definitely would have provided some additional feedback on this, though. I understand it now. I'm past it, you know, but that tutorial could have been a lot shorter had I understood it earlier. Alright, so which objective first, chat?
Available commands. EIU 11. Objectives. Objectives. Available commands. Access. Missions app. Close app with escape. Move through list with up and down arrows.
Should we go to
start mission with return?
Data hub first, or should we find out what happened to Gorski
Hermes
first?
facility. Infiltrate the Orion's receiver station and find out where Gorski went. Start mission with return.
What do you think, chat? What's the first mission? Data hub or Gorski? Okay, we have a Gorski vote. We have one vote for Gorski.
IDK.
Choice says, I don't know. I don't know. Oren, do you have an opinion? I mean, you've done this before, but, you know. Or at least I thought you said you did. I don't know, you reacted to the muffin learning thing like you didn't do it before, but I assume I thought you did. I don't know. I don't know. Whatever. Any opinion on which mission we do first? No? Okay. We're gonna go with Gorski then.
Code 7. Code 7.
Orion's data. Hermes facility. Infiltrate the Orion's receiver station and find out where Gorski
Alright, let's
went.
find out where Gorski went.
Good. We will infiltrate the Orion's receiver station, named Hermes. Our target is the computer close to a satellite which stores valuable data. Part of this data is arrival times of personnel from Mars and their connection shuttle. This is our only way to find out where Dr. Adrian Gorski might be. He left Orion shortly before the incident happened. Let's go.
Hermes facility. Infiltrate the Orion's receiver station and find out where Gorski went. Start mission with return. Exit app with escape. Open console with return.
This is the place. All the data from Mars is being processed and forwarded here. This includes infos about shuttles to and from Orion Station. If we get access to their receiver hub, we can find out when Gorski arrived and where he went to.
1. Let's go. 2. How will you get in? 3. Any suspicions?
Let's say how you get in.
How will you get in?
I'm a shapeshifter. Getting
Ooh.
in is my specialty.
Ooh!
But I will need
Oh,
your
that's
assistance.
cool.
They will not let a stranger walk into their facility. But lucky for you, I am equipped with cutting-edge disguise technology.
1. Trench coat and sunglasses. 2. What do you need me to do?
What do you need me to do? I feel like she's not worth joking with. So, what do you need
What
me to
do
do?
you need me to do?
I need data. I am wearing a holosuit, which allows me to change my appearance, including my clothes, face, and voice. But I need data for it to work. The more we know about someone, the better the disguise will be. There are 2 steps to this. Step 1. Find a person that I can pose as. Someone who is allowed to enter, ideally with high privileges. It's important to check that this person is not in the building, or unlikely to be on the perimeter. Usually if someone is on vacation, I pose as them and say I'm home early or my flight was cancelled. Then, if you have picked a valid target, you need to gather data. The more I have, the better my disguise. 3D face files, audio files of their voice.
Wow,
haircuts or
this is
color,
neat.
What they are wearing.
I actually really like this idea.
I need you to check the computers in this area and see if you can find anything useful.
1. It'll get you the data. 2. Can't you just search social media?
Social media. You know what? I'm gonna say that.
Can't
you
you
just search
search
social media?
social media?
Social media? Haven't read that term in a long time. Social media was banned years ago. We need to get the data on their computers here.
1.
Oh.
It'll get you the data.
Okay.
2. Why was it
Cool.
banned?
Why was it banned?
Why was it banned?
Let's question into this.
Social media became a platform for organized hate, violence, and even terrorist groups. It reached dimensions that couldn't be tolerated anymore. All mass communication and sharing services were made illegal. Only one-on-one communication is now possible over the internet. Once you have a
Well, now.
data, you can create a disguise.
That
with
sounds like
raven.disguises.create.
You know, the future
Once that's
reality.
done, you can load a disguise with raven.disguises.load.
Open console with return.
Oh, so I can access Raven herself. That's a little creepy, don't you think? Like, Raven is a command now?
Available commands. Face scan. Raven. System. Current mission, find a way into the facility. Reread output log with the up and down arrows.
Okay, so what do I do for now, though?
Face scan. Face scan. Available commands. Network. Security. Current mission. Security. Security. Available commands. Face prints. Current mission, find a way into the face prints. Available commands. FP0003 Chester Carnetta. FP0037 Aneo Sterling. FP0093 Melanie Trevers.
Okay, so we have a lot of...
FP0109 Nella Martinet. FP1085 Kyla
Okay, so we have face cans.
Current
face
mission,
cans?
Find
We
a
have
way into the facility.
we have face scans
Reread
here
output log with the
of a
up
lot
and
of different
down
people.
arrows. Hold
But
down
I think we need
security.
to
Available
not get
face
these
scan.
yet until we pick a target.
Available commands. Network. Security.
We have it has network access. It's
Network.
face scan machine.
Available commands. Access. Network app. Face scan.
Let's see what we have.
Press return to OOPC1. Or scam. Face scan.
Okay.
or scam.
Let's check this
OOPC
PC.
Network app. OOPC 1. Press return to enter. OOPC 1. Available commands. Apps. Network.
Okay.
Current mission.
We got
Apps.
apps.
Apps. Available commands. Mail.
There's some mail.
Current mission.
Let's get some
Mail.
data.
Enter.
Subject. Auto response. Out of office. From
This person's out of office.
mt@nb115.oriens.earth.
Oh, but it's not this person,
to
though.
JK
This is mail they received.
nb115.oriens.earth.
Okay, okay, I gotta keep that in mind.
Sent. December 27th, 2113. Hello. I am currently on vacation until January 12th, 2114. Please direct any inquiries to the front desk, or contact at oriens.stat225.earth. Thank you. M. Travers. Navigate
Travers,
mails
okay.
with the up and down
Travers
arrows.
is on vacation.
Close app with backspace or
Okay,
escape.
good to know.
New intelligence info
Intelligence
found.
info.
Oriens. Employer. New intelligence info found. Travers. Last name.
Travers, something like
New
that.
intelligence info found.
Anyway, I'll recognize it. if I hear it.
Vacation.
Vacation.
Current event.
Current event. Yeah. Okay.
Subject.
What else we got?
Mars. From rr@nb115.oriens.earth. To jk@nb115.oriens.earth. Sent. November 15th, 2113. What the hell is going on up there? I am hearing all sorts of things. Do you think it's true? Jesus. Well, all lose our jobs. Which is probably the best. I don't really want to work for someone who conducts experiments on humans. Navigate mails with the up
The person
and
was
down
wondering about
arrows.
what's going on Mars.
Subject.
Very nervously.
Sickness.
Sickness.
From sl@nb115.oriens.earth. To jk@nb115.oriens.earth. Sent. November 9th, 2113. You have heard about it, right? The mysterious deaths on Oriens. Well, my wife works for the police and she says that similar deaths happened in NB. What if someone infected came
New
here
Berlin, yeah.
and it spreads in the city? I think maybe it's a good time for a long trip. Navigate mails with the up and down arrows.
Alright.
Subject. Auto response. Out of office.
Okay, so back to that.
Subject.
Okay.
Mars.
Yep.
Apps.
That's all for emails for
Available
this computer.
commands. Mail.
We definitely need more
Current
data
mission.
than that. We need to learn more
Find a
about
way
this,
into the
this
facility.
person.
OOPC 1. Available commands. Apps. Network. Current mission.
network.
Network. Access. Network app. OOPC 2. OOPC 3. Face scan. OOPC 1.
Okay.
OOPC 2.
Another PC.
Network app.
Let's jump in.
2. Available commands. Apps. Network.
Apps.
Apps.
Probably more mail to
Available
read.
commands. Mail. Current
Yep.
mission. Mail.
Enter.
Subject. Auto response. Out of office. From mt@nb115.oriens.earth. To rr@nb115.oriens.earth. Sent. December
It's probably gonna be the
26th,
same email.
2113. Hello. I am currently on vacation until January 12th, 2114. Please direct any inquiries to the front
Just want
desk
to make sure.
or contact at oriens.stat225.earth.
Yeah, so this person tried to email the same person as well and
Thank
got the
you.
auto response for
M.
them being on
Travers.
vacation.
Navigate mails with the up and down
So
arrows.
no new information for us there.
Close app with backspace or escape. Subject. That lunch place. From zo@nb115.oriens.earth. To rr@nb115.oriens.earth. Sent. December 2nd, 2113. Hey. You wanted me to mail you the name of the place we went to yesterday. It's Kambugaka. You should definitely try the chili noodles next time, they are amazing. Navigate mails
I'm
with
going
the
to
up
lunch,
and down
okay.
arrows.
Awesome.
Subject. Schedule reminder.
Schedule
From
reminder, okay.
Calendar at nb115.oriens.earth.
Maybe we could use something for this person too, I don't know.
RR at nb115.oriens.earth. Sent, December 1st, 2113. This is an automated message. Reminder for following event, meeting HR department. Marked, urgent. Tomorrow.
Meeting the HR
Navigate
department.
mails with the up
Okay.
and down arrows.
Maybe that won't help us then.
Subject, finance reports.
Finance reports.
From
Ooh.
at nb115.oriens.earth. To RR at nb115.oriens.earth. Sent, November 29th, 2113. Here are the current reports. We did better last month, so I guess the new robotics investment really paid off. Imagine if these types enter consumer market. Every house could change from one day to the other. Not sure if that's exciting or scary. Navigate mails with the up and down
Okay.
arrows.
Good to know.
Subject,
I guess.
auto response,
Okay.
out of office.
That's it for that.
From apps. Available commands. Mail. Current mission.
Notice we don't have our
OOPC2.
utilities thing anymore, so
Available commands.
we can no longer
Apps.
install software.
Network. Current
Which is
mission.
fine.
Network. Network. Access.
Back to the
Network
network.
OOPC1. OOPC3.
Time for
OOPC2.
the
OOPC1. OOPC3.
PC3.
Network app. OOPC3. Press return. OOPC3. Available
got
commands.
PC.
Apps. Files.
Now we got some files.
Network.
We got some files up in here.
Free light dashboard.
Some files.
Free light dashboard. Link graphic with send message actually shape or just very fast here. Smart link graphic photo graphic clickable.
Yeah, it looks like, according to her, she's not actually a shapeshifter. She's wearing a hollow suit that allows her to disguise everything about herself, including her voice, face, physical appearance, completely. So if we have full workup on someone, including information she'll need to pretend to be them, we should be good. I think it's really neat. I think this. I actually really like this mission already. I really do. One of my favorite things about this game, honestly, has been, to me, the hunt for data on people. I like the collecting of new data. It's weird, but that's one of the things that's really stuck out to me about this game.
Code 7.
All right, what does this person have? We have files. So
Files.
let's check their files out.
Available commands. Audio.
We got some audio, which we
Current
need
mission.
audio for the voice.
Audio.
Is this Travers
Available
though,
commands.
or Trevor's, whichever?
Mel Trevlog 0.
Yeah, it is. It is. His name's Mel.
Mel Trevlog 103. Current mission.
It's Trevor's.
Find
Okay.
a way into the facility. Mel Trevlog 098.
Let's hear him.
Log 1321.
Wait,
I
what?
discovered a security issue with the server.
I thought it was a guy.
Thank God the hacker
I thought-
found that yet.
Melanie,
I
probably.
don't want
Okay.
another 2109. I'm going to fix this as soon as possible.
Playing Mel Trevlog 098. Audio. Available
Aha.
commands. Mel Trevlog.
I still wanna hear the
Mel
other.
Trevlog 098. Mel Trevlog
log.
103.
Cheddar.
Hello, this is Trevor's. Whatever
Trevor's.
they find about me, say about me, it's wrong. I'm not a criminal, I'm not.
Playing
Ooh.
audio. Available commands. Mel Trevlog 098.
Not a criminal. What did
Mel
she
Trevlog
do?
103.
Okay, probably Melanie Travers is probably her name.
Current mission. Find a way into the facility.
So
Reread
that
output
tells
log
me
with the
that
up and
maybe
down
she's
arrows.
actually not a good candidate.
Hold down shift to explore
If she's considered
area
a
with
criminal,
arrow keys.
she might not be a good candidate.
Files. Available commands. Audio. Current mission. Find OOPC3. Available commands.
Well, let's check
Apps.
check her email.
Apps.
Let's get the data just in
Apps.
case.
Available commands. Mail.
By the way, you did hear the message that
Current
said her
mission.
voice was recorded,
Find
so we
a
have
way
her voice
into the
now.
facility. Reread output. Mail.
Enter.
Subject.
Alright.
Subject. Subject. Subject.
subject.
From rr at nb115.oriens.earth. To mt at nb115.oriens.earth. Sent, December 28, 2113. Hey Melanie. They're blocking the road
Yep,
again
Melanie, I was
for
right.
another demonstration next week, against memory surveillance, if you're interested. So we should maybe do home office that day. On speaking of memories. Today I came to a different analysis conclusion than I did a few days ago. Did that ever happen to you? It was always very accurate, but now it differs and I am not sure if I can rely on it anymore. Navigate mails with the up and down arrows. Close app with
I wonder what they're talking
backspace
about.
or
Memory
escape.
surveillance.
New intelligence info found.
That sounds
Melanie.
twisted.
First name.
Alright. So we
Subject.
have a first name.
Vacation. From ec@nb115.oriens.earth. To mt@nb115.oriens.earth. Sent December 27th, 2113. You're on vacation? You didn't show up on the schedule. When was that decided? I have actually planned that you do server maintenance this week. How are we supposed to update the infrastructure without a server administrator?
She's an administrator.
Navigate
She's a
mails
great
with
candidate,
up and
except
down arrows.
apparently she's
New
wanted as a
intelligence
criminal?
Info found. Server administrator. Profession.
We may have to use her anyway, though.
Subject. Meeting. From carnetta@nb115.oriens.earth. To mt@nb115.oriens.earth. Sent December 18th, 2113. Dear MRS Travers, please come meet me in my office today. Regards. Chester Carnetta.
Chester
Navigate
Carnetta.
mails with the up and down
There, I
arrows.
think,
New intelligence info
yeah, that's
found.
new intelligence for us.
Carnetta.
They're one of the face scans
Last
we can
name.
get.
New intelligence info found. Chester. First name.
Okay.
Subject. Subject. Subject.
Okay, that's all her emails.
Apps. Available
Okay.
commands. OOPC3.
I'm a little nervous about her, but we have a
Available
lot of data
commands.
for her.
Apps. Network. Network. Access. Network app. OOPC3. Press return to enter computer. OOPC1. OOPC2. Carnetupc.
Oh, there's Carnetta's computer.
OOPC3. Carnetupc.
Let's go in there.
Network app. Carnetupc. Press return to enter Carnetupc. Available commands. Apps. Network.
Apps.
Apps. Available commands. Mail. Mail.
Mail.
Subject. Budget cuts. From
Budget cuts. Oh, good. Those are always fun.
hr@nb115.oriens.earth. To carnetta@nb115.oriens.earth. Sent December 26th, 2113. Dear MR Carnetta, in light of recent events, we have to cut your department's budget for the next quarter.
Ooh.
I apologize for the short notice. I am just forwarding what I was told. Despite the news, have a great day. Navigate mails with the up and down arrows.
Mr. Carnetta's budget was
Close app
cut.
with backspace
Okay.
or escape. Subject. Orion Stations. From
Orion Station?
management@oriens.earth.
Oh, from management at orions.earth. Interesting.
nb115.oriens.earth. Sent December 26th.
So some stuff happened.
2013. To all supervisors. The incident on Orion Station is highly tragic and we are sorry for any loss you might have experienced. Friends, family members, and fellow employees have been taken from us through an act of violence. A terrorist named Zoya Eliashin launched an attack on the station and died.
They're
in the
blaming
act.
Zoya. Wow.
Security officer Colburn stopped her from doing any more harm and lost
And
his
they're
life protecting the citizens.
Turning
of the
Colburn
station.
into a hero.
We
Oh!
will commemorate Mr. Colburn and all other victims on December 29th at 7 p.m. in the Joseph Hall. Navigate mails with the up and down arrows.
Wow. Wow, that's infuriating.
Urgent. From management@oriens.earth. To carnetta@nb115.oriens.earth. Sent December 17th, 2113. Dear Mr. Carnetta, we have uncovered that MRS Travers is misusing her position to obtain confidential information about the company and selling it to competitors. I have already contacted our lawyers and will discuss further actions. Since she is working in your department, make sure that she is suspended immediately. Officially, it should look like she's sent on vacation until we have sorted things out.
Okay.
Thank you for your assistance. Navigate mails with the up and down arrows.
Okay, guys.
New intelligence info.
Melanie
found.
is not on vacation. She was suspended.
Current event.
She was suspended. Oh, wow. It's a good thing we found that out. She was suspended because she's being accused of selling information, company information to third parties. It's a good thing we found that out.
Subject. Budget cuts.
Okay, that's all
From
in his
apps.
computer, it looks like.
Available
Let's see if it's under
commands.
app.
Mail.
Let's just check.
Current mission.
Nope.
Carnetic. Available
Okay.
commands. Apps. Network. Current mission. Network. Network. Access. Network app. Carnetic.
Wow.
Press return to enter computer. Available connections. OOPC3
Joyce
use
says,
the up
"Oh
and down
my."
arrows to choose a connection. Go back to origin with escape or backspace.
She said she's not a criminal, but that doesn't matter. We're trying to pick out someone for Raven to disguise herself as. And if the company views her as a criminal, they may not be so keen to let her in. She's suspended. Because they suspect her. It doesn't matter whether she is or isn't. We need to get into the building. Know what I'm saying, Joy? You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying?
OOPC3. Carnetic. OOPC3.
Okay, we can't,
Network jump with return.
I guess we're gonna have to be her. Because we can only go
Carnetic.
backwards now through the network.
OOPC3. Network jump with return. Network app.
I guess we're gonna have to be her.
OOPC3. OOPC1. OOPC2. Carnetic. OOPC3. OOPC1.
Let me just make sure there's no other
app.
route through the network here.
OOPC2. Face scan. OOPC3. OOPC1. OOPC2. Face scan. Network app. Or scam.
Oh yeah, there is
Network
another
jump
one.
with return. OOPC1. Or scam.
What's this?
Network app. Or scam. Press return to enter computer. Or scam. Available commands. Apps. Network. Current mission. Apps. Apps. Available commands. Mail. Current mission.
Okay, mail.
Subject. Order 292,347. From order@disease.earth.
Oh boy.
To da@nb115.oriens.earth.
This person ordered something.
Sent, December 10th, 2113. Dear Darcy.
Darcy Applegate.
Thank you for ordering 6X System DoorGuard X. Your order will be dispatched shortly. Your disease delivery service. Navigate mails with the up and down arrows. Close app with backspace or escape.
Alright.
New intelligence info found. Darcy. First name. New intelligence info found. Applegate. Last name.
Okay, so that's
Subject.
the thing.
Security measures.
Security measures.
From Carnetta@nb115.oriens.earth.
From Carnetta, okay.
To da@nb115.oriens.earth. Sent, December 10th, 2113. MRS Applegate. Would you be so kind to order a couple of door guards for me? After that unfortunate incident, I'd like to keep an eye on who enters and leaves which rooms. Thank you. Chester Carnetta. Navigate mails with
Okay,
the
so
up and
he's the
down
one that asked her to order those door guards. So she did. So I guess she's like purchasing?
Subject.
Which might not be
November
high enough
newsletter.
clearance.
From newsletter@healthywork.eath. To da@nb115.oriens.earth. Sent, November 29th, 2113. Good morning. Newsletter not displaying correctly? Read it here, link. Image November newsletter issue number 104. How to treat co-workers and how to deal with issues. Image interview with Mar. Image. THA Henriette and Rodriguez Elspish. Image. Read more.
It's a newsletter.
Navigate mails
It's a company
with up
newsletter.
and down arrows.
That's great. I love how it's like not displayed correctly.
Subject. Order 200.
Okay, so it looks like that's it.
Security
for that
measures.
computer.
Apps.
But there might be a
Available
different
commands.
network path through this.
Mail. Current
So I
mission
need to
or
investigate.
scam. Available commands.
Make
Apps.
sure there's nothing else on here.
Network. Current
Yeah, there's not.
network.
Okay.
Network.
Network.
Available commands.
What can we get
It's
to
wrong.
from here? Yeah, we can get to other
whatever
computers from
they.
here.
It's wrong. I am not a criminal. I am not.
Oh, right. I did the...
Access.
I was looking at the log.
Network app.
I should have done that.
Or scam. Face scan. OOPC1.
Oh, wait.
Or scam.
No, we can't.
Face scan.
We really can't. Okay.
OOPC1.
Alright. Well, that's it.
Network jump with return.
We have to be the suspended chick.
Face scan.
Melanie Trevors.
Network OOPC1.
We have to be.
Or scam.
There's no other path
Face
to the
scan.
network, so yeah. Face
Network
scan
app.
it is. Alright.
Face scan.
We learned a little bit extra from
OOPC or scam.
that other PC,
Face
but
scan.
yeah, that's...
Network jumper.
Yeah, that's
Available commands.
it. Okay,
Face
let's get
scan.
her scan then.
Raven. System. Current mission. Find a way into the face scan.
Fiber.
Available commands. Network. Security. Current mission. Security.
Security.
Security. Available commands. Face prints. Current mission. Face prints.
Prints.
Face prints.
We're gonna need Melanie's. We
Available
have the most
commands.
data on her, so...
FP000.
I was hoping we'd have a
Chester
choice.
Cornetto.
I have to be honest with you.
FP0037 Aneo Sterling. FP0093 Melanie Trevors.
I thought maybe we would have
FP0109
multiple options of people we
Nella
could
Martinet.
be, but no.
FP1085 Kyla Palakico. Current mission.
Alright.
FP093. Enter.
FP0003 Chester
Oops,
Cornetto.
no!
Available commands. Download.
I don't want to... That's not, that's
Face
not what I want.
prints. Available commands. FP0093 Melanie
There
Trevors.
she is.
FP009. Enter.
FP0093 Melanie Trevors. Available commands. Download. Download.
Enter.
Downloaded file to system.files. FP0093 Melanie Trevors.
Okay.
New intelligence info found. FP0093 Melanie Trevors. 3D face file. Face prints. Available commands.
Alright, so I guess we
FP0
create the disguise.
security.
We have all the
Available
information we're gonna
commands.
get.
Face prints. Current mission.
Back out of this.
Face scan. Available
that.
commands. Face scan.
Yeah, so I was hoping we could find
Available
multiple candidates and then choose one,
Face scan.
and then do the face scan thing. So it's a little less cool than I wanted it to be.
3 light dashboard switches.
Dang
Full
it.
voice button. Low light. Full voice
It's
button.
alright,
Low
though.
light. Send a message. Code 7. Code
It's
7.
still cool.
Raw. Enter.
Raven.
Raven.
Available commands. Disguises. Current mission.
Disguises.
Disguises. Available commands. Browse. Create. Load.
We need to
Current mission.
create.
CR. Enter.
Close app with backspace or escape. Create new disguise. Choose person to create new file for. Currently chosen. Chester Cornetto. Choose person with return. Darcy Applegate. Melanie Trevors.
Enter.
Awaiting input. Save as file name.
You can... So I guess what's probably going to end up happening, which I guess is still cool. This is still cool. I'm guessing this is the disguise we're going to use for now, and we're going to need to use other disguises later. So I guess all this data gathering is still a good thing, and you know, this won't be the only time we come back here to get more disguises. So that's cool, I guess. I was hoping we'd have more choices right now. Like, you could be Cornetta or Trevor. You know, I don't know. Anyway, let's call this. Slight concern.
Concern.
Editing disguise file slit concern. Use infos to input into file. Currently chosen. Mel Trevlog, voice print. Insert with return.
Mel
Use
Trevlog
left arrow
voice
to
print.
access infos already in file for removal.
Enter.
FP0093 Melanie Trevors, 3D face file. Not in file. Insert with return.
Yep, 3D
Listing
face file.
infos already in file. Mel Trevlog. Voice print. Remove with return. Use right arrow to add infos not included in file.
Add
No
some
additional
info.
disguise infos available.
Oh, okay. I guess... I thought we'd have to add the individual bits of intelligence that we got on her, but I guess not. Okay, so...
Disguises. Available commands.
So load?
Awaiting input. Disguise file. Collected available disguises. Slit concern.
Slight concern. Let's load it. Oh.
Disguises. Available commands. Browse.
I messed up.
Awaiting input. Slit concern. Slit concern. Disguise mode set to file slit concern.
And do you know if this person is safe to pose as? Do you know she won't be in the building? That I won't bump into her? People usually don't take it well if a person happens to be there twice.
1. I don't know. 2. ITLL workout. 3.
I'm a little
She's
concerned.
on vacation.
No, she's suspended. See, I'm worried about this. I'm gonna say it'll work out.
ITLL workout.
Sorry, no. You need to do better. Find out if this disguise is safe.
Optional dialogue. 1. I am ready, let's go. Open console with return. I am ready, let's go.
She's
Find me intel that she's safe to pose as first.
1. You got it? 2. She's on vacation.
on vacation, but she's suspended. I'm saying it.
Good. I can work with that. Disguise has been activated. Are you sure you've got everything that we might need about that person?
1. Let me look some more. 2.
There's no other
Sure.
options.
Go ahead. 3.
There's no other network
She's been
jumps that are
fired.
possible. She hasn't been fired. She's been suspended. Why am I not getting that choice? I have a choice that says she's been fired. She hasn't been fired. She's been suspended.
Sure. Go
Sure.
ahead.
Becoming Melanie Travers now. Let's begin infiltration.
Optional dialogue. 1. I am ready, let's go. Open console with return.
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, hello, Mrs. Travers. I thought you were gone for a while.
Oh, yeah. Believe it or not, my flight was canceled. I tried the last couple of days to book something else, but everything's booked or too darn expensive.
I see. What is it I can help you with?
I'll just quickly rush inside, get my things, and be gone, okay?
I'm truly sorry, but I'm not allowed to let you in. Very sorry. Mr. Carnetta has been very clear about that.
1. Try to persuade her. 2. Her name is Darcy Applegate.
Yeah, her name's Darcy Applegate.
Her
We
name
do
is
know
Darcy
that.
Applegate.
Oh, Darcy, come on. We're friends, aren't we? I'll be quick, I promise.
I wish I could, Melanie, but
Hey, I'm having early lunch today. See you in an hour. Can you hand these papers to the boss? Thank you.
consider it done, Mr. Palaquico. Enjoy your lunch.
New intelligence info found.
Okay, we have his last name, but we don't know anything else
Palaquico.
about him.
Last name.
I'm sorry, Melanie, but you have been suspended and are not allowed on the perimeter. I'll have to inform Mr. Carnetta. Please wait in the lounge. I don't want to get in trouble for this.
Well, it is how it is.
1. We should leave. 2. What do we do? 3. Shit.
I knew that, though. I was not given the option to tell her that. I don't know what to tell you.
What do we do?
What do we do?
No, we stay. Remember, we are not the ones in trouble. Yet. The more we can learn, the better. Let's go to the lounge.
Open console with return.
Nice lounge.
Ah,
Good furniture
boy.
distribution. Maybe I can... She locked us in remotely. Clever woman.
1. Sorry. I could have done better.
No,
2.
no.
Are you enjoying this?
No.
3.
No.
We're screwed.
Are you enjoying
Are
this?
you enjoying this?
Shapeshifting is what I do. It's my craft. You only get better by overcoming challenges. And I do like challenges. This Palaquico is out for lunch. That gives us a 30 to 60 minute window. I recorded him when he was talking, but I wasn't quick enough to get a scan of his face. I'm adding the voice print and what he is wearing.
New intelligence info found.
Okay. We need to
Galactico
change to
voice.
him. Okay.
Voice print.
I can go get his face print.
New intelligence info found. White button-up shirt. Torso clothes 1. New intelligence info found. Navy blue jeans.
I don't know.
Pants
I didn't
and
like
skirts
that.
1.
I didn't like that section.
I need his face print though. Did you happen to find it?
1. Not yet.
Not yet. No.
Not yet.
I can go get it though.
Alright. There's this computer here that I can boot up. It appears to be connected to the network. Find the face file, create a Palakiko disguise, and load it.
Open console with return.
I didn't like that. I didn't like that. I knew all I needed to know, and I couldn't tell her what. Like, was I supposed to say? Was I supposed to use the fired option? Because she wasn't fired. What did they want me to do there? Calls it your mama. I don't know. I didn't like that because I feel like it was broked it a little bit. Okay. Anyway, let's move forward. All right.
Available commands. Octavo.
Okay.
Raven. Raberin. System.
We have a couple computers
Current
in here.
Mission. Disguise Raven
I
as
think-
Palakiko.
Yeah, I'll do
Read
that. I
output
will
log
do
with
that, but I
the
think we need
appendix.
to
Octavo.
look around
Octavo.
too. We need to take advantage of the fact we have
Available
more network
commands.
connections here.
Apps. Network.
We need to get. I think we need to get as
Current
much
mission.
data as we
Apps.
possibly can. It's
Choose
lucky
with
that I had
return.
Darcy's information.
Apps. Available commands. Mail. Current mission.
Yep,
mail.
there's more mail. Let's read it.
Subject. Weekend. From Michelle at Valiant.earth.
I did like that, by the way. I did like the fact that it
Octavo
incorporated
at Orions.earth.
the
Sent.
information I got about
November
Darcy.
14th, 2113. Dear Brad, I know that you're stressed about the future, with everything that we're hearing from Mars, but you also said that you don't want to spend the rest of your life working at Orions, right? Be brave, take the step. There is so much ahead of you, if you only dare. Don't forget, success is on the other side of fear. You're Michelle. Navigate mails with the up and down arrows.
Okay.
Close app with
So
backspace.
there's
or
intelligence
escape.
there. We have someone named Brad. Oh, it didn't actually add that to our intelligence. Huh.
Subject.
Okay.
Award. From win-win-win at wineverything.win.
Win-win-win
to
at wineverything.win.
Earth.
This got to be a scam
Sent.
email. I bet it is.
March 13th, 2113. You're actually the first one to enter. Navigate mails with the up and
You're
down
actually the
arrows.
first one to enter. What the heck? What was that? Subject was award at win-win-win-everything.win. And this is, you're actually the first one to enter. So he entered a contest, and he was the only one.
Subject.
Or
Weekend.
the first one.
From Michelle at Valiant.earth.
Okay.
To Octavo at Orions.earth.
Alright, so that's
Subject.
only 2 emails in that computer.
Award.
Yeah, so there is
Octavo.
another computer here, though.
Available commands.
So I don't want to...
Octavo. Raven.
What is it called?
Raberin. System. Raven.
Let's you know what, let's just do this.
Octavo. Raven. Raberin.
Let's do this.
Raberin. Available commands.
Learn some more things.
Network.
Apps.
Apps. Available commands. Mail. Current mission. Mail.
More mail.
Subject. Urgent. Confidentiality. From HR at Orions.earth. To Raberin at Ors.earth. Sent. December 26, 2113. Orion Station is now under quarantine due to unforeseen incidents. All information and contacts from or to Orion Station from the last 72 hours are strictly confidential until the issue is resolved.
Yeah.
The case is being investigated. Marmatry Backwoods. Orion's HR department. Navigate mails with the up and
Okay,
down
we got
arrows.
the name of an HR representative.
Close app with backspace or escape.
Is it going to add that? No, it's not. What the heck?
Subject. Appointment. From TW at CFLweaver.earth. To Raberin at Ors.earth. Sent. November 28, 2113. Dear Sir or Madam, as agreed with Prof. Fusso, I confirm that the next scheduled server maintenance will be done January 17, 2114 at 10 a.m. by our IT technician Melanie Travers. Please make sure that somebody is on place to let MRS Travers in. Sincerely yours, Tim Winders, CFL and Weber IT Company. Navigate mails with the up and down arrows. Subject, urgent, confidentiality.
Yeah, okay, that's all that's in there. Alright, so we need to...
Available
we need to
commands.
network again. Alright.
Apps. Network. Current mission. Network. Network. Access. Network app.
Where can we go from here?
Raberin. Raberin. Net. Raberin. Net. Raberin.
Nowhere.
Network jump with Raberin.
Nowhere at
Network,
all.
Raberin.
Okay.
Network jump with.
Then in that case.
Available commands. Available commands. Available commands. Octavo.
We need to
Octavo.
go to this one.
Octavo.
And network
Available
from here.
network. Network. Access. Network app. Octavo. Or scam. Raberin.
Yeah.
Octavo. Or scam.
Go back to the cam
Network app.
thing.
Face scan.
And back to face scan.
OOPC1. Octavo. Or scam.
Okay.
Face scan. Network app. Face scan. Available commands.
Okay, face scan.
Face scan. Security.
Security. Face
print.
prints. Let's get his face print
prints.
real fast.
Available
Which
commands.
one is he?
FP0003 Chester Carnetta.
Not him.
FP0037 Aneo Sterling.
Not him.
FP0093 Melanie Travers.
Not him.
FP0109 Nella Martinet.
Nope, not him.
FP1085 Kyla Palakico.
There he is.
Current mission. FP1085 Kyla Palakico. FP1085 Kyla Palakico. Available commands. Download. Downloaded file to system.files. FP1085 Kyla Palakico. New intelligence info found. FP1085 Kyla Palakico. 3D face file. Face prints. Available commands. FP0003.
Alright, so let's get out of here. Let's go create a disguise for Raven.
Network app. Available commands. Raven.
Raven.
Available commands. Disguises.
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 Create.
Close app with backspace or escape. Create new disguise. Choose person to create new file for. Currently chosen. Chester Carnetta. Darcy app. Melanie Palakico. Awaiting input. Save as file name.
We'll call him Lunchman.
Editing disguise file Lunchman. Choose infos to input into file. Currently chosen. Palakico voice. Voice print.
Yep.
Insert with return.
Yep. Let's insert that
White
voice
button
print.
up shirt. Torso clothes 1.
Yep, torso
Not
clothes.
in file. Insert navy blue
that.
jeans. Pants
Insert
and
his
skirts 1.
Blue jeans.
Not in file. FP1085 Kyla Palakico.
And his
3D face file.
face file.
Not in file. Listing infos already in file.
Okay.
Palakico voice. Voice print. Remove with return. Use right arrow to add infos not included in file yet. Close app with escape.
That's all the info we have on him.
Palakico voice. Voice print.
I don't know why it didn't add
Not
his
in
first
file.
name, but
Insert
here we
with
go.
return.
I guess we're doing
Use
this anyway.
left arrow to access infos already in file. for
Oh
removal.
god, okay.
Close app with
Ugh.
escape. Disguises.
Alright,
Available.
let's load.
Awaiting input.
Lunchman. Do it!
Lunchman. Disguise mode set to file Lunchman.
Good work. Now for our stage design.
1. Why did you do that? 2. They're coming. 3. Good luck.
So why did you
Why
do that?
did you do that?
I think she broke something.
Watch and see, rookie. Let the theater begin.
Mrs. Travers, I hope there's a good reason for... Where is she? You said she was in the lounge. Did you see her, Kaylee?
New intelligence info found. Kylie. First name.
Yes, I did. I was just heading out for lunch when I heard noise from the lounge. I came back to check what's going on and just found this window shattered.
Oh,
I can't believe it. She escaped?
he's creating a case.
Woman
I
is
see.
nothing but trouble. I always said it.
Don't worry about Travers. We've got it on camera. I'll have my lawyers taking care of her tomorrow. First corporate espionage and now vandalism. That woman has it coming.
I'm sorry you got mixed up in all this, Mr. Palakiko. Please enjoy your lunch. I'll clean up this mess.
Actually, I lost my appetite. I think I'll go over some numbers again. Thank you. If they only knew I disabled the camera. A shame.
1. That was impressive. 2.
Was pretty impressive.
Weren't you scared? 3. Let's find that data.
Alright, that was
That
impressive.
was impressive.
Thank you, but that was nothing. Usually I study the target person for weeks, but we're short on time right now, so improvising is key. We're more or less free to roam the facility, so let's get started. Does the map show you any locations worth checking out? If I wander around, I might raise suspicion. Better give me coordinates so I can walk with purpose, as if I actually work here.
Move to with M.
Oh,
Open
it's
console
time for
with
us to
return.
finally move. Check chat real quick. What is this game about? No, it's not a Doom thing. Tyler Hoot, I apologize. I was remember I check chat every few minutes. That's how I work. Well, with games like this. No, it's not Doom. This is a game called Code 7. It is what they call a story-driven hacking adventure, and it has a blind-friendly mode for the blind to be able to play it. Now, it can be played by anyone. I'm using blind-friendly mode, and thus I'm kind of giving you guys my perspective, and giving you only the audio, because that's what I'm getting as well, because, blind. And so I'm showing you blind-friendly mode, but you can play it with full graphics, in non-blind friendly mode, and that, it's just, your average adventure game. But the entire interface of the game is typing commands to, like, a terminal kind of thing. You're effectively an AI that can hack things and, help people with things, tell people where to go, that kind of thing. You kind of order people around, and you hack computers, and you get data about the story, you get lore, you get information you give to other people. You get into their computers and read their emails and listen to their audio log. It's not a game for everyone, but I really enjoy it. I think the story is really good. It's really, really good story. There's this evil AI called Soli that you're kind of fighting against, and it's really neat. It's really cool. I hope that answers your questions. Let me know if you have any more. I will check chat every few minutes, but I apologize. I missed your first few messages there. I apologize for that.
Awaiting input.
See where we can go.
Move to. Available places. Archive. Server. Data hub.
We have a few places. I mean, they're all interesting places in my opinion. Let's go to the archive.
Archive. Available places. Lounge. Server. Data hub.
This must be their archive. Lots of binders and reports. Might be worth looking around.
Inspect with I. Move to with M. Open console with return.
Alright, let's inspect stuff.
Inspect the 1. Binders. 2. Computer. 3. Desk. Go back to communicate. Inspect the binders.
Inspect the binders.
Most of it is useless information. Numbers, tax reports. Let me check the project reports. Architecture Enhancement Project, 2.45 billion euros. Development of high-tech, flexible structures for multiple uses. Prototyping phase ended last year. Hapris Investment Project, 1.89 million euros. Improving private infrastructure in New Berlin, London, Moscow, Seoul. Contracts end in 2119. What's this? Unit Zero Project, 18.1 billion euros.
Whoa.
Test phase running until 2114. Why are they trying to create the Unit Zero? It's such a waste of resources.
1. What's Unit 0?
Yeah, what's Unit 0?
2. Why is it a waste? What's Unit 0?
Unit 0 is the concept of a robot, Novus, who can pass the Turing test. A Novus who looks and acts exactly like a human. But that's impossible. You can always tell. No matter how real they look or how well programmed they are, if you look them in the eyes, you can sense something's off. Nobody has figured out yet how to successfully emulate emotions, let alone artificially reciprocate them.
They call robots
can't
Novus.
feel. It's just not how they work. It's always just a simulation.
1. I agree. 2. I believe they can.
I think as an AI, I think it's safe to say we would believe that they can, since we are ourselves digital at this point.
I believe they can.
Believe all you want. I won't until someone shows me one that works.
Inspect the 1. Binders. 2. Computer.
Alright, computer.
Inspect the computer.
This is the security computer. In the archive room? Why would they... It doesn't fit. It has a totally different purpose. Maybe I should write them an anonymous complaint.
1. OCD much. 2. Limited rooms, I guess. 3. We don't have time for this.
I'll just say limited rooms, I guess.
I guess.
Then you have to work with what you have. It's just priorities. Structure.
Inspect the 1.
She can't take it.
Binders.
She can't take it.
2.
I'm starting to like her a little bit more.
3. Desk.
You gotta have your
Go back
flaws
to
in your characters.
communication.
Alright, desk.
Inspect the desk.
This is Palakiko's desk. More binders and documents. Security-related stuff mostly. There's a little wooden box, too. It's full of photos of him and a little girl. He's got a daughter around 9, judging by these pictures. He must love her dearly. There are easily at least 16 photos of her.
New intelligence info found.
Okay, new intelligence info.
Daughter.
Daughter.
Family information.
Family information.
I had a box like this when I was a kid. Not a long time ago. My parents gave it to me. It's the only thing I remember of them.
1. What happened to them? 2. Do you still have it? 3. You grew up without parents.
Let's just ask her if she still has it.
Do you still have it?
No, unfortunately not. Can't even remember what happened to it. Only how I got it. I was born in a war zone. Hiding, fighting, lying is all I ever knew. My memory is a blur. I have forgotten most of it. Only this box remains. We were at the beach. It was dawn. My parents handed it to me. A little box. It had a number lock. I never figured out how to open it. My parents died during an attack one day later. The EIU was in the area, rescuing civilians. They took me in, raised me, trained me, gave my life a purpose. I never found out what was in that box, or what happened to it. That's not important. It's just a thing. Come on, we've got more important matters to attend to.
Inspect the 1. Binders.
Well, now hold
2.
up. I gotta do some hacking. You know how I work,
3.
girl.
Desk. Go back to communication mode. Available commands. OSSEC. Raven. System. Open. OSSEC. OSSEC.
OSSEC.
Available
security
commands.
computer that she found before.
Apps. Files.
We got some
Network.
files up in here. Let's check some
Files.
files out. Oh yeah, I like files. Oh yeah.
Available commands. Documents.
Give me some files.
Open communicate. Documents. Documents. Available commands. Security report.
Not a very secure
Talker
security computer, by the way.
01011. Talker 01023. Open communication. Security report.
Security report.
Security report. Raised security levels from C to A due to Ilyushin incident. Requested shapeshifter spotting training just in case there will be more spy attacks. Installed Terrajex steel firewalls on systems. Meta AI should start verifying identities before entering receiver data hub. Go through each line with the up and down arrows.
Oh boy, okay.
Close app with backspace.
So because
or
of the thing they're blaming Zoya for, which, you know, obviously we know it was Colburn's fault, but anyway, they're blaming Zoya for it. Because of that, they raised security to a higher level, and they're considering shapeshifter spotting training. So our friend Raven here might be in trouble after a bit, if anyone has been trained. Oops.
Documents. Available.
Alright,
Security.
let's go to
Talker
this
01
one.
1902. Yes. Fine. I am dating a novice. So what? 1903.
Someone's dating
Whoa.
A Novus.
Wow. 1904.
Android,
Cats.
basically.
1904. Weird. 1905. How does it even work? I mean, do you? 1946.
How does it even work? Do you?
Did I say something wrong? 1954. And 2001. I don't know. 2002. Just that the first comment is always that. Sex. 2002. As if nothing else matters. 2004. Forget I said anything. 2004.
This is a chat log.
I apologize. Go through each line with the up and down arrows.
Wow.
Close app with
what have we
backspace or
found?
escape.
What have we found
New
here?
Intelligence info
This is,
found.
yeah, this is new intelligence info, all right.
First name.
All right, so that's someone's first. Anne, I guess, is their first name.
Documents. Secure. Talkers. Talker 01 745.
Another chat log.
Yo, Kylie. Are we still meeting for poker tonight? 749. Shit, I forgot to ask them. 750. Let me ask them and I'll answer you later. 751. Sure. 811. If we meet, make sure to bring the good beer. The one from last time. 828. Will do, Nelly. Still waiting on answers.
Nelly. Another first
really
name.
hope we don't have to skip poker night again.
They play poker
829.
with Palakiko here.
Go through each line with the up and down arrows. Close app with backspace or escape. New intelligence info found. Meeting for poker tonight.
Yeah, meeting for poker tonight, yep.
Disguise intel.
Disguise intel.
New intelligence info found. Nelly. First name.
Alright.
Documents.
Meeting
Available
Nelly
commands.
for poker tonight.
Security report.
I think that's it.
Security
Yeah, that's it.
report.
Dang it.
Available
Oops.
commands.
I hate that.
OSSEC. Raven. System. OSSEC.
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 And then
Available commands.
do we have apps?
Apps.
We have apps.
Apps. Apps.
Alright, cool. I like apps.
Available commands.
Check out some apps.
Mail.
Which means we have mail. Mail to read.
Subject. Read. Raised security. From mt@orions.earth. To kp@orions.earth. Sent December 26, 2113. Is that really necessary? I know that we had a security breach on Mars, but holosuit detectors seems a bit over the top tbh. Well, at least we don't have them here yet. I read they can
so
try
saying
your phones.
Holosuit detectors are not
Navigate
here
mails with
yet.
Up and down arrows.
Alright.
Close app with backspace or escape. Subject. How did you do it? From tb@orions.earth. To kp@orions.earth. Sent December 11, 2113. I heard the boss calling you by first name. How did you do that? He never calls anyone by first name. Did you? Did you? No, you didn't, right? No, I don't think you did. Did you? Navigate mails with the up and down arrows.
How did you get the boss calling him by his first name?
Subject.
I don't know.
Receiver hub access restriction. From Carnetta@orions.earth.
Receiver hub access restriction.
To kp@orions.earth. Sent December 9, 2113. Kylie. I'd like to increase the security standards for accessing the data hub. I don't want anyone to enter for every little system hiccup, alright? I've asked Martinez to have advanced identity checks done by the AI. For everyone.
Okay.
Including you. Yes, I know you are our security officer, but I don't want shapeshifters posing as you. Not after Mars. Okay. Good. Carnetta.
So Carnetta does not want
Navigate mails with the
shapeshifters
up and
posing
down
as
New
Palakiko.
intelligence
Oh wait,
info
there
found.
is one posing as him right
Security officer.
now.
Profession.
So yeah, his profession is security officer. We found that out. That's why this computer's in the archive, I guess. That's where he works. But we also learned that the receiving hub, which is where we ultimately are trying to go, requires advanced AI verification or ID verification via an AI. So it's probably a much more limited AI than Sully, but it is still an AI, and that could cause some problems.
Subject. Raised security.
Okay.
From
that is the original
subject. Email. How did you do it?
All right.
OSSEC. Available commands.
So,
apps.
Valuable info.
Files. Network. Open communication mode by pressing space. Current mission. Find the Mars data logs. Reread output log with the available commands. OSSEC. Raven. System.
I think we're done here.
Open communication mode by pressing inspect.
Let's go ahead and move
to
out of here.
Awaiting input. Move to available places. Lounge. Server.
Let's go to the
Data
server.
hub.
I think server's a good idea.
Server. Available places. Lounge. Archive. Data hub.
The server room of this facility. There's not much to go with. It's mostly hardware and some documents. There's a note from Palakiko on the wall. Amazing how sticky notes survive the rise of technology.
Sticky notes are the cockroaches of office supplies.
I don't get it. Well, the note reads, increased identity validation at receiver room door. Prepare personal information. Shh. Looks like we have to do more data scavenging.
Inspect with I. Move to with M. Open console with return.
We learned that too from the computer, from his computer. So let's inspect
the
stuff here.
1. Server. 2. Room. 3. Documents. Go back to communicate.
Inspect the
server.
These are Ortel X3 quantum servers. They used to be cutting edge, but now they're a notch behind. I'd expect a company like Orions to be more up to date. They are storing a lot of data here, but it's all encrypted, and we're lacking the necessary tools to decrypt it. The most recent files are from 2 weeks ago, which means the logs that we need are not stored here yet. They're still on the satellite receiver computer.
Inspect the 1.
Right, but we can't.
Server.
We're not ready for that place yet, I don't think.
Room.
Inspect the room.
A gray server room. 18 servers distributed over 3 rows, and let me check this. It's fantastic. Each spaced precisely 50 centimeters apart, while behind me are an equal 6 cooling units perfectly centered against the wall. This is a nice room.
Inspect the 1.
There's that
server.
Organizational
2.
Thing, OCD, that
room.
she has.
3.
She needs them to be
Documents.
perfectly spaced.
Go back to
She
communication
needs the cooling units to be perfectly
backspace.
centered.
Open console with return.
I think it's funny. Anyway.
Inspect the
The
documents.
documents.
They're digital on this HeyPad. Mostly patch notes, protocols, and these files are all badly corrupted.
1. How can they get corrupted? 2. Maybe someone sabotaged them. 3. Nothing can be saved.
Maybe someone sabotaged
Maybe
them.
someone sabotaged them.
Who knows? But we're not here to find this out.
Inspect the 1.
Yeah, that's
server.
true. Fine.
2. Available commands.
See what I can do on my console here.
Martinez. System. Open communication mode by pressing space. Current mission. Find the Mars data logs.
No new information in
Reread
chat.
output.
Or nothing new in chat. Alright, let's go to Martinez's computer.
Available commands.
Hey.
Martinez. Available commands. Apps. Files.
We got some files.
Network.
You know how much I like files.
Files.
I got some files.
Files. Available commands. Documents.
Documents.
Open communication.
We got some documents up in here.
Documents. Available commands. Authenticator. Auth info. Data hub notes. Open communication mode by pressing space. Authenticator. Choose with return. Usable. 025 meg. 647 JID. 602 in ALG. 485 FIJ. 467 HMIN. 017 IBD. 781 Glyke.
What the heck is this?
Jane Mai. Go through each line with the up and down arrows. Close app with backspace or escape.
Wow.
Documents.
Okay.
Available. Authenticator. Auth info.
Auth info.
Authenticator list print protocol. Version 1.84b. Security 2-step verification software. Copyright DSEC GmbH. License number D192F37E47AE3379. Customer support at dsec.earth. Go through each line with the up and down arrows.
So I guess that has no use
Close
to
F with
us at all?
backspace or escape.
Looks like it.
Documents.
Alright.
Available commands. Authenticator.
Just a thing, I guess.
Auth info.
It's an extra thing.
Data hub notes.
Data hub notes
Open
would probably be very valuable, though.
Need to upgrade system. Following problems force us to go to 1.98. Occasional disconnect to the servers. Authenticator method is way out of date, need to switch to QuantCode X2. File transfer speed sometimes drop to 3 GB/s, that's like Middle Ages speed. Interface is wonky to use. Go through each line with the up and down arrows. Close app with
I love the
backspace
future
or
thinking
escape.
of this game. I do love it. I do love it. Because we do the same thing. So, they're like, sometimes transfer speeds drop to 3 GB per second. That's like Middle Ages speeds. But it's way faster than anything we have these days. You know, because it's 100 years later. But we do the same thing. Oh man, my download speed is only 10 megs per second. I can't handle it. Except we used to all have 14.4 kilobits per second. Modems back in the 90s. So it's just funny to me. It's funny, all right? It's funny. All right.
Documents. Available commands.
But basically, they are saying there are some problems with the current
Authenticator.
system, as long as he hasn't
Auth
upgraded
info.
it since
Data hub notes.
he wrote that.
Open communication files.
It sometimes disconnects from the
Available
servers,
commands.
which could be useful to us.
Documents.
Although it didn't, that
Open
wasn't recorded
communication
anywhere, but
mode
I'm
by
going to try to
pressing
remember
space.
that.
Martinez. Available commands. Apps. Files. Network.
Let's check on
Open
the apps.
Apps. Available commands.
What you got to tell me, Martinez?
Open mail.
Mail.
Subject. AI settings. From kp@orions.earth. To
Something from Palakico.
nm@orions.earth. Sent. November 13th, 2113. Okay guys, I am sending this to all of you since I don't know who is doing this. Please stop upping the ace humor settings please. She's deeply annoying and unsettling. I always reset it but one of you always puts it up to 125 again. Stop it. Last time I asked her to update the firewall she told me to update my face first. Not funny. Navigate mails with the up and down
People
arrows.
keep messing with their AI and
Close
setting
app
the
with
humor settings up
backspace
to
or
125. That's funny. I like that.
Subject. Next week's stuff. From tt@orions.earth. To nm@orions.earth. Sent. November 9th, 2113. Hey Nelly.
Oh, this
We'll
is
have
Nelly.
a lot on our plate next week due to the start of the second factory prototype with the NNB52
Nelly
experiment.
Martinez, okay.
It would make sense to distribute the tasks this week, because it will be mayhem from Monday on. The batch of robots will be distributed this Thursday, 18.000, which, all, have to be checked. The guys will do it automated but I'd like to have someone there to verify they're not overseeing everything. This project is going to be huge once we can prove that it works flawlessly. He'll take care of briefing all the new employees. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Navigate mails with the up and down arrows.
Okay. So talking about releasing a new batch of robots, and they all need to be looked at
Subject.
before they're released.
Order number 13,470. From customer support at heimemerge.earth. To nm@orions.earth. Sent. November 1st, 2113. Hello MRS Martinez. I can confirm that your order of deluxe suit jamas, work in your Pete JS, has been dispatched. If it does not arrive within the next 2 business
ordered
days,
deluxe
please
suit
give
pajamas.
me a call and I will
Work in your
personally check the
PJs.
situation with logistics. Navigate mails with the up and down arrows.
That's good to know. Some useful intelligence. We should record that. Hey, Raven. Nelly ordered deluxe suit pajamas. You need to know that. That's very important.
Subject. Correction. From kp@orions.earth to nm@orions.earth. Sent October 30th, 2113. Hey. I was just updating the employee management software due to some security exploits of the old version and saw that my birth date was wrong. You know how the upper guys are when there's wrong information in the system? Could you please correct it? My birth date is June 8th, 2070. Thank you. Palakiko.
More information on Palakiko. Good. June 8th, 2070.
Found. June
Good
8th,
stuff,
2070.
man.
Date of birth.
Good, we needed more information on him.
Subject. AI settings.
Right.
From
That's the last email.
KP. Subject. Next week's stuff.
Yep.
Martinez.
Good.
Available
That was
commands.
useful. We needed that
Available
information.
Commands.
Alright.
Martinez. Raven. Inspect with I.
Let us
move to with
move
M.
again.
Awaiting input. Move to.
I guess let's move to the
Available places. Data hub.
Data hub.
Archive.
Yeah.
Lounge.
I don't know how we're gonna get in.
Data hub.
But let's see if we
Data
can.
hub.
I might have to do some network hunting before we can get in, but let's try.
Available places. Lounge. Archive. Server.
Welcome. I'm the Master Encryption Technology Assistant, but you can call me Meta.
New intelligence info found. Meta. First name.
Oh boy.
Because of the Illusion Incident, Administration has issued increased identity checks to detect spies and shapeshifters. Henceforth, I will ask you additional questions to prove your identity. I have always wanted to use the word henceforth. It's great. Welcome, Mr. Palakiko. That was an impressive amount of time you spent on the toilet this morning. Just kidding. 34 minutes is your average. Please confirm your voice.
Excuse me.
Thank you. Voice print received. Your voice is still the same. Congratulations. Now I need some personal information to verify your identity. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Go ahead. Ask.
Oh, it's up to you. Tell me 3 personal things of your choice, like your favorite movie, your birthday, the name of your firstborn child, what you had for breakfast, your latest travel destination, the length of your...
I get it.
Favorite pencil. Please don't interrupt. Anyways, tell me 3 personal things.
Move to with M. Optional
We
dialogue.
may not have 3 personal
1.
things.
His birthday is June 8th, 2070. 2. Tell her about the daughter. 3. You're meeting Martinez for poker tonight. Open console.
Let's try it. We don't know the daughter's name though. Well, let's see what happens. Let's go with
His
the birthday.
birthday is June 8th, 2070.
My birthday is June 8th, 2070. Do you also want my blood sample and a copy of my personal records?
That's correct. No need. I've already got both. I'm currently growing a clone of you in the basement. Kidding. Or am I? Sorry. My humor settings are very high. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Move to with M. Optional dialogue. 1.
Okay.
Tell her
Let's try
about
the daughter. I'm a little worried about
2.
this.
Tell her about the daughter.
I have a daughter. How do you have personal information about employees?
At Orions, we value your security, not your privacy. I mean, you all accepted our terms and conditions, yes? Sorry for the inconvenience.
I hate this AI so much.
Move to with M.
Okay.
Optional
Seem to have
dialogue.
accepted that, I guess.
1.
So let's
You're meeting Martinez for
poker tonight.
You're meeting Martinez for poker tonight.
Martinez and I are meeting for some poker tonight.
Yes, That was correct. And I accept poker as an answer, even though it is totally not poker that you are playing.
Oh! Oh, snap.
I know that, right? And even if I did, I would never tell your wife, especially not including video footage.
Oh my god.
Please be nice. Sorry for the inconvenience. Very good. You told me 3 personal things.
Okay, I guess we had enough.
Enter.
I thought I was going to ask for the name of the daughter.
Alright, we're in. First things first. Where is it? Ah, there we go. Security disabled.
Oh, you touched me. Please don't do that. I will raise the alarms now. Error code G151. I am sorry, but unfortunately I couldn't call security. If you would be so nice and call security yourself, sorry for the inconvenience.
1. What a weird AI. 2.
I kind of love
I
it.
like her.
I kind of love it. I'm going to say I like her.
I like her.
That was a joke. Ha, I got it this time, because you can't possibly like her.
1. But I do.
But I do, yeah.
You got me.
Nope, I'm going to say but I do.
But I do.
I can't tell. Are you still joking? Never mind.
Who are you talking to? I hope you called security by now.
The data we need is on the central computer, which is password protected. Now your skill is needed. Get me access to that computer.
Move to within.
Okay, I can do that.
Open console with return.
I can do that. Give me a minute, though, to check chat. Ah!
Free live dashboard. 6:23 p.m. Go. Free live dashboard. Toggle button. Center building after dinner. Toggle button. Link graphics switcher.
Back in the, okay. That's all right. This stream is only going to be on for another 7 minutes anyway, Tyler.
6:23 p.m.
So you'll probably have you probably won't miss much. I'll be coming back at 8 Eastern though.
Also, add toggle button. Also, have you heard of a map service called IRA?
I have heard of Ira. I do not use it because it's ridiculously expensive.
Toggle button. Grab 1 month supply. Random question for the code.
I probably will never use it.
Toggle button. Grab 1 month super blind mode. Toggle button. Super blind mode is disabled.
I don't even know if you're, because you said you did have to go to dinner, so I'm not sure if you're here to hear this answer. As for how I cook, I don't cook much. I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, you're still here. Okay, I don't cook much. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I.
1.5 hours without super blind mode. Cold button. 1.5 hours without super blind mode.
Yes, an hour and a half without super blind. I don't cook much, but what I do cook, I use a lot of different things. It's hard to explain. So first of all, I could use a microwave. I traditionally braille buttons on a microwave, so there's that. That gets that out of the way. As for things like on a stove and things like that, most blind people, including myself, prefer electric stoves because we have more control over the adjustments on electric stoves, and we can. There are entire. Let me put it this way. I think this will sum everything up pretty well. There are entire kitchen sets that can be purchased, for the blind. So it includes things like measuring cups with notches to tell when you've measured properly. I think there's like stove dials with dots to indicate certain temperatures. Certain commonly used temperatures, like 350 is very often a preheat temperature. You know what I'm saying? Things like that. Oven things like, there's a lot of different things that come with it. But anyway, it's there's a lot. There's talking microwaves too. There's talking microwaves, talking thermometers. Any number of things can be used by the blind to successfully cook. If you watch the movie Ray, you get to see Jamie Foxx as Ray Charles making some fried chicken. Totally blind. Yeah. It can be done. Cooking is possible if you're blind. It's just, But yes, going back to your Ira thing, Ira is ridiculously expensive. I would use it if it wasn't, but it is. So, it's insane. It's not worth it to me. It is worth it to some people, and that's good for them, but it's not worth it to me.
Code 7.
Alright, anyway.
Available commands.
What can we do with the little bit of time we have?
Oz receiver. System. Open communication mode by
OS
Oz
receiver.
receiver. Oz receiver. Available commands.
Can we attack this computer?
Login.
Or do I have to go on the hunt?
Open.
See if we can log in.
Please enter auth code.
Guessing.
SDK.
Oh.
Collected auth codes.
We have one, yeah.
Meg, Jid, Inalg, Fidge, Amin.
Oh
Hip,
no! Oh
like,
no!
Jane Mai. Awaiting input. Password.
Oh, I see. I see now. I see what we need to do. I see what we need to do. Ah, okay. Okay.
Available commands. Oz receiver. System. Open communication mode by...
So that auth code info thing we found, we actually do need that. Okay.
6:27 p.m.
Let's see if I can
Oz receiver.
get to the network.
Network app. HRMS1. Oz receiver. HRMS1.
HRMS1, what's that?
HRMS1. Press return.
See, this is going to make me want to browse around, too.
Martinez.
Okay, yeah, we can get back to Martinez.
HRMS1.
But what's on this HRMS computer?
HRMS1.
Let's see.
Available commands. Apps. Open communicate. Apps.
Apps, you say?
Available
Apps.
commands. Utilities.
Utilities?
Utilities.
This one has a utilities one, and a lot of them don't have that.
Available commands. File permissions.
File permissions?
Open communication mode by pressing file permissions. Available commands. Run. Open communication mode by pressing space. Current mission. Obtain the satellite records. Reread output log with the up and down arrows.
Why would we need to run
Hold
that?
down shift to
And
explore
we can't
area
download
with
it.
the arrow keys.
Try entering one of the passwords. We need feedback before we can figure this out.
Run. Collected files. Files. Awaiting input. Open file. Utilities. Available commands.
Oops.
File permissions.
Hang on.
Open apps. Available HRM.
No? Wait. I'm confused.
Apps. Apps. Util. File per run. Collected files. 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 Collected files. Documents. Awaiting input. Open file. Documents. Documents. Collected files. Message Inabottle 1. Awaiting input. Open file. Message Inabottle 1. Set permissions for file. Documents / message Inabottle 1. Read. Write. Current write. Set to no. Write set to yes. Read.
I'm doing this even though I don't know why I'm doing it.
Change with read set to yes. Write. Set to no.
Okay.
Change with return. Read. Set to no. Change with return. Utilities. Available commands.
Okay, so we've done a thing.
Utilities. Available commands. File permissions.
Okay, so I have a feeling.
Utilities. Apps. HRMS1. Available commands. Apps. Files.
Yes, okay.
Open
there was a hidden
communication
file
mode
on
by
this computer and I
pressing
just
space.
found it.
Files.
Let's read that.
Files. Available commands. Documents.
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 There was no files
Available
listing on
commands.
this computer before I did that.
Message Inabottle 1.
Let's see what's in this.
Open message Inabottle. Hi. This is a secret message just for you. Wonderful that you found it. Orion Security is really special, isn't it? Don't be afraid of what's to come. Everything is going to be alright. Trust me. A friend. Hopefully, G. Type to add content.
What?
Save with Control plus return. Reread content with Control plus R. Close app with escape. Go through each line with the up and down arrows.
What?
Close app with backspace or escape.
Was it just an Easter egg? And by the way, I can add to this file. Wow. Wow.
Files.
Well, I found it. Oh my god.
Code 7, code 7, 1.4 button, set 7, okay, back team leader is not ready, out of button, okay, back team leader is not ready yet, now I'm going down for dinner, out of course, one of very going to be coming up with a reason to solve, probably a very short amount to get.
Oh really? Oh, that's cool.
Or it's out of button, or when it's more like language in my area that's for free.
That's cool. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. I know some stores have it for free, or some buildings, I should say, they're partnering with people where you can use it for free as long as you're in that building. Yeah, that's cool. Don't get me wrong. I do respect Ira for the things that they're trying to do. I just think they're really expensive. Alright. Anyway, that is going to do it for this first stream, guys. That is going to do it for the first stream. We will work out this whole password shenanigans. I know what I have to do. I have to go back to Martinez's computer and read that frickin' document again with the authenticator info in it. I know that I have to do that, and I'll do that after my own dinner, which is going to happen right now. So, as I head out, please do, everyone, check out the Breakdown Walls podcast. That's breakdownwalls.net/podcast, or type !podcast in the chat. Also, join us on Discord if you haven't already, breakdownwalls.net/Discord, or again, type !Discord in the chat to do that. And check out all the streamers listed there in our Discord server. All of them. Because there's a lot more than I usually list when I mention all the streamers that I mentioned. So, anyway, let me find someone to raid, and we'll get out of here for the first stream, and we will be back with more of this at 8 Eastern tonight, where we will get into this data hub and hopefully finish this mission. Come on now. Alright, there we go. I'm gonna raid someone. His Twitch username is literally someone. SUM_WUN. Someone. You know, different spelling, but that's what it is. I'm gonna send him some people. He needs some people. He is currently playing Borderlands, by the way, according to his title. He's one of Misty's friends, but he's a cool guy. I like him. I haven't talked to him much, but I know who he is. Thank you guys for sticking around for the raid. I'll see you guys tonight, 8 Eastern, for more of this.